Don't try this yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
Let's get it going. Let's get it kicking. Let's get it. Woo! I'm feeling it. Any louder. My Maui Gyms, baby. Started with the Maui Gyms. I'm not going to rock sunglasses while I live stream. I'm not Tom Crown. I think that's loser status. But hey, I love him to death. I like that he's pushing crypto forward. You know, it's cool what he does. Shout out to everyone. Love to everybody out here on the live stream. No hate for anybody. All love. I wouldn't personally run a Patreon, take your money, and show up every day where you couldn't see my actual pupils. I think that's kind of bad business, but that's me. You know, I'm a realist. I wouldn't want to give a guy money that I couldn't see his eyes. But hey, shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me, guys. And that is your time. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful morning. It is Tuesday. It feels great to be alive. It feels great to be here with my lifers, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live. We're going to have an awesome time. We're going to get into a bunch of different coins. Going to look at some things that I've been looking at. Going to look at a few calls that I put out. And we're going to see what's going down in the markets. So if that's what you like, if that's what you're here for, get ready. We're about to get it in. So shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me, guys. And that is your time. That is your time. As we move forward, you know, we're not out of the woods yet. But you know what? We broke out of that bearish pennant. So far, so good. Now we'd have to go through that bearish pennant to get to the upside again. So just want to pause the music for a second. Check my levels. Make sure everything's all right. There we go. Check, 1, 2, 1, 2. I like those levels. Sound nice. Okay. Music's a little loud for me. Gonna have it on, but in the background a little bit. I'll bring it up for you guys. I want to hear your mix. Shout out to Tommy G. Good morning with the super chat. Much respect to you, man. Let me bust out that chat so I can watch it quickly. See what's going down. Here is the chat. Shout out to everyone here on the chat. Much respect. Now, I would put the chat up on the screen like a lot of other people do, but you guys can see it right below. I feel like it just takes up space, right? It just takes up some space. It's up to you guys. What do you think? You know, it's completely up to you guys. Yo, Taco Tuesday, people. Pizza Man in the house. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Make money, take profits. Woo, buckle up. You're the man, Sam. Shout out to Kronos Balthazar. Shout out to everyone here. Shout out to Crazy Trades, London Gang. I'm pushing the life for movement in East London and Essex. Yo, my last name is Price, man. Tell these English kids they got to jump on with the crypto lifer, man. The lifer, man. He's going to show you what it is. Happy days, man. Happy days. That's my trading realities. Keep it off, boss. Shout out to everyone on the live stream, man. Much respect to you guys. It's too distracting. Good how you have it. Awesome. All right. All right. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. All right. I got my tip jar out there. Throw a tip to the kid. And, you know, it's a beautiful day to be alive. It's a beautiful time to be alive, right? Every day you want to wake up and did you say thank you today? That's my first thing, man. Did you say thank you today? I'm going to say thank you right now. I said thank you already. Thank you for my life. Thank you for my hands. I worked out this morning. Thank you for my hands, my feet, my ankles, I rode my motorcycle through New York City. No one ever hit me, broke my leg. I never got killed. Thank the dear Lords, bro. One of the most dangerous places to ride a motorcycle, and I did it for 7 years. Coming home late at night on the BQE after a night shift, 3, 4 in the morning. Sometimes they work me from 8 till 4 in the morning. I'd be falling asleep. I'd bust out a coffee or something. I'd jump on my motorcycle. You know, some of those days I'd make $1,000 in one day. I'd work so much overtime. But it still was tough, man. It was tough. It was no joke. Man. But I'd be riding home with my $1,000. Man, yo, I made $1,000 in one day. And I'd be riding my motorcycle like, now I'm going to go home and sleep until I go back to work tomorrow night again. You know? But I lived that life for a long time, my friends. And now I'm here with you guys every single day. It's so blessed, man. So blessed. Like, let's get serious. Let's get real. Okay, so I'm going to give you the bad news first and then the good news. Okay? Here's the bad news. Are we in this channel? Up, down, up. And are we just going to come right back down and test 24,000, right? This could be in the cards. Look at the progression, right? Could it get a little more of a movement off of this bullish divergence? We're still only a little bit higher than we were before, right? So something to think about right now off the jump. So there's my first idea on the 1 hour, you know? Now, for this to break down, the 1 hour should be high, and it's not. But the 4 hour should be high. If the 4 hour is high, 4 hour is high. All right? That tells you that we should drop to the bottom of the pattern. You know, it may not be as aggressive. Now that I look at it, I think it maybe more something like that. But that puts Bitcoin back. That puts Bitcoin at 26,000. So right now, I'm not, you know, just going over the facts. It says that there's a chance that we come back to the bottom. All right? This is a pattern. You can see we're clearly in a downtrend. You can see the trend that we're in. I mean, I'm not going to lie to you guys and say that's not the trend. That is the trend. Okay? Throw chips at kids. You mean the British chips or the Lay's chips? Look back at December 2017. It has the same pennant formation that drops. Yeah. Check it out. All right, we'll take a look. We'll take a look at that in a second. Maybe you see a fractal on that. So we'll duplicate the screen here. What was that? I've never pinned it that close like that. I just did something I never did. Unpin. That's what it is. Oh, so pinning might send it to the right, though. I never pin. Pin might be nice. That way it's always there for me. You learn something new every day. So check it out. He's talking about 2017. We'll take a look at the USDT on Coinbase, right? BTC USD on Coinbase. We're going to take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin on Coinbase as well. And we're going to look at a fractal back from 2017. Someone saying, hey, it did the same similar thing, and then it dropped. So we'll take a look. We'll go back in time. We'll go hit the weekly. We'll hit auto. And we'll see what's up. Well, we had a massive downtrend here. But let's take a look. You know, it's funny, though, 20K, we retraced all the way back to 5K, really, on the pump. I mean, we would come all the way, and then we would turn into that bear run, right? Funny, man. I type in high energy vocal without vocals. That's not, to me, that was like demonic EDM. Like, that wasn't high energy music. Like, I mean, it was like freak out music. I don't like to freak out while I'm listening to music, you know? I don't like my senses being like, oh. I listen to music like this. Like, I want to have a positive outlook. I want to have a good feel. I want to have a good vibe. Yeah, and so, bam, I mean, Bitcoin up, down, and just formed a channel, you know, after the divergence. So, we're not out of the woods yet, man. Nothing is guaranteed for Bitcoin. I don't want to, I don't like moon boy channels, right? That just tell you it's always going up, and I don't like bear channels that tell you it's always going down. We're a TA channel. We're going to stick to the TA strictly and follow the TA. So what we did is, so far so good. Look, all right. I gave you this trade, which was the head and shoulder breakout, right? But look, we would come down and then continue to break out. Funny how this played out. So Bitcoin would break down, right? Bounce off of the same support area here. It's like, just gonna clear. I like to clear my old work each day and just start fresh. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna look for the new support. You're gonna look for some, you know, we already know, we do this every day. But I'm just teaching you exactly how to trade as well. Music's too loud for me. It's ruined my concentration. Okay, check it out. Okay, so now when I'm looking at this, so we bounce off this level, right? Resistance obviously right there at 42,000. Clear resistance. You know, we couldn't get by it. We bounced off of it right there. Some resistance at 46K. Kind of not too much going on in this area. Like, we can gap up pretty fast once we break 42,000. You know, there's a chance we can get really, really, really nicely above this level. So that's what we're looking for now. We need to get above it. Really big deal on the 4 hour. We're breaking above the 200 day. This is the first step and a move up to the upside. Also, you see the 21-day moving average crossing other moving averages. We see the 50 coming up. 50 wants that golden cross. Just as much as we have the death cross on the daily, we got a golden cross coming up on the 50 on the 4 hour there. What is a golden cross? A golden cross is when the 50-day moving average crosses the 200-day moving average. What is a death cross? A death cross is when the 50 crosses below the 200. My first super chat ever. Can you briefly talk about FTM Network, Spirit, Frank, Boo, Zoom, Tomb? We appreciate you. Yeah, I honestly have a video about that today coming out. So it's kind of like I could talk about it, but you can go watch me talk about the Phantom Network for literally like an hour today. At the Crypto Lifestyle, I got a video coming out about the Phantom Network. It might even be out. It's not out yet? No. I guess it comes out next week. I thought my videos came out on Monday. That's why I submit on Sunday. I don't know. I'm confused. Anyway, yeah, look out for more coming out. My video will be out in a couple days about Phantom. It's always about Phantom. So once a week, you'll see me on this channel, the Crypto Lifestyle. And you check it out. I've made a bunch of different videos. Here is a Matic pumping video. Why Matic is pumping. NFTs and the tokenization of everything. This video is amazing. It's like a documentary about NFTs. I break down so much about NFTs. I talk about the first NFTs ever created. I go into in-depth about all different types of just like how they're used, how they're made, the different companies making them, which ones you should be buying, the websites where you can buy them. I show you NFTs. I talk about it. It was one of the coolest NFT videos I think you could ever find on YouTube. It only got 1,000 views. It's kind of sad, man. You know, more. We need more. There's so much information in my videos, and they need to get out there, man. So check it out. Bitcoin's flagging right now in the 4 hour. I mean, clearly. So what you want to do is you want to go to smaller time frames just to look at what the price action's showing you, right? And so right now you can clearly see that's consolidation, and consolidation to the upside as well. So as you saw, the stochastics had to reset to the downside. The price went up. That's always a good sign. That's telling me elasticity in the price, meaning there's a bounce, there's a swing. The stochastics are supposed to reset. Like up here, we came down, the price came down. Up here, we come down, price comes down, right? So the stochastics are supposed to reset the price. You're supposed to see, so when the price goes to the upside, when you see a reset in the stochastics, that's a big sign, especially on the 1 hour. We had two resets, one down there, nothing really happened, we went up, and then one right here, and we had, a little divot, but that really didn't take us out of the pattern. Hey, man, I missed yesterday's ended whilst I came with your opinion on the end of the shorts in the market. Do you think we'll have a massive short squeeze? We already did have a bit of a short squeeze, honestly. Waiting on that 15-cent Phantom. 15-cent Phantom, man. I don't know. What about stochastic on the 4 hour being overbought? We're going to take a look at that. But look, I'm going to show you something right now. We were overbought here on the 1 hour, and what happened? We went sideways. We were overbought right here, and we should have dumped. And what happened? We did not. So, you want to start looking at market structure. You want to start understanding what you're in. This pennant has a 68% chance of a break to the upside, right? Sammy Knight, hey, man, did you invest in Titan? It's still pumping and paying crazy ARPs. No, I didn't. I don't jump in everything, man. I'm very selective. Looks good, though. I might put 1,000 in it today. Have you seen the amount of shorts on the market made? Yes, it's insane. The more shorts than we've ever seen. People are shorting Bitcoin hard. But honestly, the masses are never right. So if that many people are shorting, usually they're going to get liquidated. Probably be a mass liquidation. The second they get liquidated, they become longs. They start buying up. We need shorts for the longs. I keep saying that. I use TradingView, and I have a link to it. If you want to join, please use the referral link on my channel, and you'll support the channel. So join TradingView. They give me like these TradingView coins and stuff like that. I get like a good incentive. So yeah, I'll show you right now. If you're watching my live and you go down here, TradingView right here, helpful tools. This is my referral link. Even if you sign up for a free account, it helps, man. So I appreciate it. What website is that you use for your charts? TradingView, baby, TradingView. So look, we're in a falling wedge here on the RSI. We're oversold extremely on the 1 hour. This tells me that we're about to break out. This is a trade. I'm going to give you a trade right now on Bitcoin. I'd strictly trade the 1 hour. I'd get into the trade right now. Okay. You get into the trade right now. Because you're at the why? Because you're at the bottom of the pattern and you're oversold in the stochastic. All right, you're extended. And all you have to do is just put a stop loss at previous high. I do the same things over and over again, guys. It's not that difficult. Eventually, you gain an edge because these percentages in the patterns give you a 68% chance. So therefore, if you do 1,000 of these trades, you'll make 680 of them. You see what I'm saying? If you do 10,000, you'll make 6,800 trades. And once you start making, the longer you're in the game, the more this system will pay you. You get it? So, because the percentages go up. Once you make 100,000 trades and you win 68,000 of them, then you're like, right? And you look at those 32,000 that you lost and you're like, man, when you can make 68,000 of 100,000 trades go right, you're doing something, and this is how you do it. You begin to start somewhere, right? So again, and you could shave the stop loss a little tighter to me because the risk-reward ratio is there for us. So we can go right here to this line, 2.69. It's a 6.5 risk-reward ratio to gain 17% on the measured move, right? So go for it. There's no reason to sell yourself short, right? That's the length of the pole, telling us that we can get 17% back up to 47,000. So that's what we're looking at right now. So I'm watching this pattern, and this would be the call right now. You can get, you might get stopped out. You might. It is what it is. If you want to use leverage, I would use no more than 10x. If you use it like $1,000 to $5,000, no more than 10x leverage. If you're using $100, you can use 34x leverage. It depends on how much money you're using, how much leverage you want to use. You could also just use Bitcoin and trade Bitcoin the way it is. Trade it from 47,000 and call it a day. Also, this will take up the USDT pairs. So if this is the trade, then we can look at a USDT pair that looks similar, and we can make the same trade and probably make more percentages. So we're going to get into that. We're going to look at that. But right now, right off the bat, we're looking at Bitcoin breaking to the upside. We had a golden cross on the 1 hour, looking really nice, right? So if you just trade the 1 hour, just the 1 hour, it says we'll get a little bit of a pop. All right, we may not get all the way up to the 17%. The idea is to trade this stoke until it gets to the high side. So if the stoke wants to reset slightly again, this is where you would get out of the trade. Why? Because the 4 hour is not too great right now. 4 hours actually needs to come down. It's starting its way, but it needs to come down. So hopefully we can pop on the 1 hour, retest with the 4 hour, go sideways, and then still continue to break out. So that's that's the bullish case right now, right? And we clearly broke this trend line, right? Clearly. And 38K, you can see 38K right there was the line. And that's why there was heavy support at 38K. You see? We kind of hit it. We hit it. I knew if we could get above 38K, it could act as support, as a good support region. If you go back in time in this area, you can see 38K. Right here, we bounced off of 38,200 right there, and then started our move to the upside. There we got rejected. There we kind of bounced a little bit, got rejected. So you can see previous resistance became new support, 38K. That's why when I moved in here, I suggested that 38K was support. So far, so good. Please hit that like button. Free call on the live and only 78 likes. Shaking my head. Will Rojo. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you very much. 143 people, 80 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? That's all I'm asking. You might forget. Sometimes I'm watching and I forget, so I get it. It's happened to me. I've been watching a YouTuber I really like, and I'm like, oh, man, I forgot to hit the like button. Chill, lifer. Save calls for the Patreon. Don't worry, man. I make more calls. This is how we drew. SPOC, it's a community token with a really good cause for our world and the environment. Pangea Ocean Cleanup Community is awesome. The team is very transparent. They fund barriers to stop trash entering the ocean. POC, Pangea Ocean Cleanup. Okay. We'll take a look at Pangea Ocean Cleanup. Thank you for putting that on. What do you think of master nodes? I don't know, master nodes. Let's take a look at master nodes. Are network servers in certain decentralized blockchain systems that carry out specific functions and may help privilege network participants in most blockchains. Wait, that carry out specific functions and may enjoy privileges network participants in most blockchains do not. Master nodes. Is it a name of an actual crypto? Master nodes coins. Crypto slate. I don't know what masternodes is, man. If you could DM me at crypto_lifer at Telegram and post a link, I'll look at it and I'll put it on later. Because I want to respect your super chat, but I don't want to spend an hour looking for some coin. I'm sorry. What's up, brother? New here. Thanks for all your help and positive vibes. I can't wait to join your Patreon, but probably not until the end of the month. Shout out to King Rico. Thank you very much. Yeah, I used to have my Patreon set so when you joined, it didn't charge you until the end of the month. But what happened is people would make calls, and then they would cancel right before the end of the month because they thought they paid, but they didn't. So then they would take all my calls and, you know, basically just kind of run and never pay, right? So what I decided was you pay the second you join. I'm not playing that game anymore. So yes, if you join today, you would get charged, and then you would also get charged on the first of the month. So you can wait, but you can also pay in crypto. So why not just pay in crypto? Email cryptolifers@gmail. Pay in crypto will get you into the group immediately, and we'll give you a discount. 10% discount for paying for 3 months. So if you pay for 3 months, it's $270 in cryptocurrency. So her Pangea was sketchy. I'm all about nature and especially the ocean. Recommend you all watch Plastic Ocean on Netflix. Heartbreaking what we've done as humans, but do your research. Yeah, I did see it, Jane. It's horrible. That's why I'm drinking out of this, man. That's why I'm doing my part every day. You know, don't use plastic bottles. Drink out of a glass jar. Reuse the jar every single day. I'm not 100% sure, but just do your own research. Yeah, running one is a thing. Or more. Yeah, you want to run a master node. I believe that. I think master nodes are cool. I would love to run a master node. Give me the master node, master nodes. All right, shout out to everyone here. We're going to look at the whole entire market. I want to take a look at the Dow Jones. Haven't looked at the stock market in a while. Some people say it's struggling. We don't really look at it too much. We'll take a look at it in a second, though, and see what's going on with the Dow Jones. And we're going to take a look at that. And that daily is oversold for Bitcoin, too, which is not good. I'm overbought, I mean. So the daily's extended. This worries me for Bitcoin. I'll be honest, guys. It's not a great sign. You know, we pump fine. We can pump on that 1 hour trade that I just gave you. That's a small trade, but that's just a 1 hour time frame. Interesting. So let's see how the daily candle, right? This daily candle will close 9 hours. It's crazy. Already in 9 hours, the candle is almost done. Now, the last daily candle opened at 39,000. The high was 41,000, right? The low is 38, and we would close at 40,500. So, you know, we held pretty well on the daily close. Now, let's take a look at severe support and resistance regions now. Let me go back to the 1 hour and post this trade to the patrons. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me, guys, and that is your time. My channel operates a little differently than most. Most people say, hey, join my Patreon and I'll make you money. I want you to make money before you join the Patreon, and then I want you to join the Patreon because you're actually a different person. You feel better about yourself. You made some gains. Shout out to 153 people watching. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? 53 of you are not real lifers. You're just not. You can't call yourself a crypto lifer if you don't hit the like button. That's the first prerequisite. So either call yourself a crypto lifer or don't hit the like button. But if you want to be a lifer like me, if you want to be a successful trader, if you want to live the life you've always dreamed of, if you want to do whatever you really want, which takes still discipline, and you know, you can never really do whatever you want. There's hardcore discipline. Some days I wake up and no, I want to go on a hike. I want to go to the beach, but I got a live stream from 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. It is what it is, right? Thank God I take the Saturday and Sunday mornings off, so then I can use those mornings to do what I do, and then I appreciate the mornings that I get off, right? Because I got to be here every single day, man. Every single day. So shout out to everyone here on the live stream. If you want to become a consistent person, if you care about yourself, hit the like button. All I know is Michael Saylor is practically betting his life and career on Bitcoin. Safe to say, he's a lifer. I'm doing the same thing. I have every single bit of my net worth in cryptocurrency. No joke. 191 for 3 months of Patreon and paid in crypto. Wow. That's what I'm going to do. Crazy trades. Yeah, get on in, man. No, it's 270. 270 because 99 times 3 would be 297. And then we're going to take off 10%, right? Which would be $29. So 270 for 3 months. 270 for 3 months. Add an extra 80 bones on that. FOMO is coming for Bitcoin if we break. It's true. He's right about that. Another $100 billion in Bitcoin. Yeah, no, he's going hard. We're going to take a look at that. You're still holding T-Bake and T-Cake. I'm holding T-Cake. I never got into T-Bake. I never bought T-Bake. I bought T-Cake, though. Like button activated. Done, brother. Shout out to King Rico. Shout out to everyone on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Much appreciated. 119 people, 161 people. All right, so anyway. This is the call for the Patreons. If you're in my Patreons, you get calls throughout the day constantly. Bitcoin scalps, all different things. Altcoins, moves, long-term holds, mid-term holds, big game, little game, you name it. So check it out. And then I post this to the Patreon group. BTC scalp 1 hour. time frame and everything. Okay. So there's Bitcoin in a nutshell. Let's take a look at the weekly support and resistance like we've been looking at. Okay. We're gonna spend more time on Bitcoin when we're watching different things about the entire market, right? We usually spend like 5-10 minutes. You see, we're spending about 20 minutes on Bitcoin a day. I mean, in the morning, I spend probably 2 hours on Bitcoin a day. And I keep reiterating what I keep saying is, and no one else on YouTube is saying it. I'm being honest. I'm like one of the only channels to be talking about this is the hidden bullish divergence. That swing up to swing up, that swing down to swing down on the RSI, that tells me that the trend will continue. That's springboard action telling me that the trend should continue to the upside. So we're getting, as long as this holds, though, this could dump back down and then we could get, right? It would negate it. So it's not there until we eventually get the push up. I want to see us get above resistance, 47K. We will see some FOMO if we break this weekly support, this weekly resistance here at 47,000. So Bitcoin, you got to do your thing, bitty. Now we're actually seeing some support here, which we broke. We broke this resistance, 35,000. So we can't break 35K. It's a big deal. And then obviously, 31,830, and then that 30,000 wick. Can't break these, right? We break these, it's highly likely Bitcoin goes back to 20K. Is Bitcoin going to 20K? I mean, it's just, to me, highly unlikely. Like, it's highly unlikely. I have a few reasons why. Well, the weekly, let's look at Bitcoin in the last few months. And I go over this every single day, but you know what? It's good to go over these things every day so you can teach yourself what's going down, and you can reiterate the facts. So when you read the crazy news and when you see them all trying to tell you to sell your Bitcoin, you take a deep breath and you say, you know what? We went over this with the Crypto Lifer, and we know our fundamentals. Oversold on the stochastics. Oversold on the stochastics. Buy zone. Buy zone. Oversold on the stochastics a little bit. Big time oversold. Buy zone. Buy zone. Buy zone. Right? And then where are we? Look at this. Hugely oversold and starting to curl up too. And we're getting the curl up. Let me zoom into that for you and show you what I'm talking about. If we look at the stochastics, RSI, we wait for these curls. All right? We're waiting for these curls right here. I'm going to move it here. We're waiting for this move right here to the upside. I mean, it's such a big deal. And we had one here fake out. Cracked again. I mean, that's usually it for the stochastics. If we go back in time, I mean, there's one, it was gone. There's one kind of double bottom, it was gone, right? And here's one. I mean, not a lot of action. This is 4 years of stochastic action. You're talking 1, 2, 3, 4. Really, 1, 2, 3 times you've been this low, right? Look, I'll make the lowest we've ever seen it, and then below this line, 1, 2, 3 times in Bitcoin's history, right? 4 right there, counting that one, but it was a barely. So this is telling you these are the greatest times to buy Bitcoin in your life. Like, this is it. This is how you make yourself become a multimillionaire. This is how you break out of the rat race. This is how you don't have to work for someone anymore. You save your money for years and years, and then days like these, times like when Bitcoin went to 30K, that's when you unload. And I kept telling you guys to unload. I didn't say sell it all, put it all in, but I said you should be dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin on these lows. If you didn't take advantage of Bitcoin at 32K, 31K, like if you don't have a buy that says you bought Bitcoin at 31,000, can you check AMP? You can find it on Coinbase. We'll take a look at AMP for sure. Morning, lifers. We in HUP in today? Yeah, HUP's coming on out. We're going to take a look at HUP. Sorry, off topic, just curious. Whatever happened to the guy that bet you some money and then lost the bet? I know he ran off and didn't pay, but he has showed his face around here since? No, he never showed his face again. Isn't that crazy? And he was one of my biggest supporters. I never spoke to him again. He probably got wrecked. Think about it. He was shorting down to 20K. He was so positive we were going to 20K. I bet him we would go to 54K. Easy. Come on, man. 154 people, 124 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? So this is what's called hidden bullish divergence on the weekly time frame and extremely oversold. These have been the times that you would have bought into Bitcoin. And I go over this on the stream every day. But you know what? I just keep reiterating these facts. Everything looks good on the weekly. No death cross, nothing. Now everyone's talking about this death cross on the daily. Looks like it's about to be averted. I'm serious. If the death cross is averted, we will see serious FOMO. And you can see that we're starting to get a rounded move here on the 50-day moving average. And the 200's right there. Even if we get across, it looks like it's not going to be substantial. The 50-day shouldn't be rounding out so much. And you can see that the 21 wants to curve and cross the 200. Then it's going to cross the 50, and then that's going to drag up the other moving averages. And we're going to see a big move to the upside. So, I gave you the bad news at first, right? To me, that was a fake out, came back in, and then we trusted the new trend line. You can also say we made a big, this is also a bigger trend line. But to me, no, we broke out. We definitely broke out. And so we were inside of a falling wedge, finally. It negated the idea that we were inside of a bear pennant for sure. And that was a really key moment in Bitcoin, You made me blush when you say that, Lifer. What? Seemed like a scam to me. Couldn't find the... Dave Nair, I need a giant dip. Death Cross is going to be great for shorts. Come on, man. You're not going to get it. Dude, if you didn't... The thing is, for shorts, man, think about it. It's like when you get a nice run up to the upside, you don't take profit. The shorts had a beautiful short. Like, you could have shorted Bitcoin from 65K all the way down to 30K. Like, and then you even got the wicks down. Like, you guys got beautiful shorts. Like, if you're still trying to short right now, you're greedy. You're a greedy person. You should close your short and see where Bitcoin's going to go first. Find its direction. If it starts to move down and trend lower, then start to short the trends. If it starts to trend up, then you better become a bull again. I feel bad for the shorts. All right, right now, daily, rejected here. 2 wicks to the 200-day moving average. Got close. Right now, we're hitting the 200-day one more time. It's going to be weak. The more we hit it, the weaker it gets. I want us to punch through the daily 200-day moving average. So that will also, if we punch through the daily 200, it's going to kind of begin to negate the 50 crossing the 200 because the price brings up the moving averages. And if the price starts to move up like this, it's going to turn the 50 in our favor. So, I'm not saying these are guaranteed things. I'm just saying that's a clear breakout to me of a falling wedge. And to me, it's really just kind of like a pennant. It kind of was a bull flag. It was a little directive, a little downfall directive of a bull flag. But to me, look, if you said we're flagging, I wouldn't say you were 100% wrong here, right? And that positions Bitcoin to break all-time highs. So here's the long-term trade for Bitcoin, right? Trade Bitcoin up to 72,000. You would enter the trade right now. Okay? You'd put a stop loss back into the pattern like somewhere right here, 12%. It's a great trade. So you enter Bitcoin at 39,971, right? Your stop loss sitting at 35,700, right above 30. Or you could even go below 35,000. Go to 34,000 because look, it's still a 6-to-1 risk-reward ratio, right? You might want to sell some profits here at resistance. You're going to have resistance there and resistance there, but we break the all-time high. You're golden, and you're going to get your trade basically to 72,000. So this is my call. This is my long-term call for Bitcoin based on the weekly chart, not on the daily chart, right? Now, to perfect this call, you might want to wait for the daily to reset and come back down. Bam. Which would test this support at 35. So we'll see. I'm watching it closely. There's a chance that, there's a chance we retrace back down there. But here's my, so this is a call I'm going to be working on. I'm going to be going over it each day and kind of looking at it. In the next few days, if the daily can reset, which will take about 5 to 6, 7 days, if the daily can reset and be oversold, then we're going to be rocking and rolling, right? But, the 4-hour also wants to reset. You see that? It's telling you we want to roll over, at least retest 35K. So if we retest 35K in the next day or two, don't be nervous, guys. Know that I already said it was going to happen and that we were ready for it, right? BKE recovered from May 18th, terrible dump. But other strong coins like BNB are not even close. Anyone can explain why is that? Why does everything have to be the same as Bitcoin? Why do you need that explanation? That's what I wonder. I always wonder why people think everything has to be, Bitcoin recovered, but because think about it, all the money, because that's how the cycle works for Bitcoin. You need to understand market cycle, all right? And market cycle, there's a cycle. It goes, the money flows into Bitcoin first. Then Bitcoin pumps, the money flows into large caps, the large caps pump, and then the money flows out. Join Patreon, made the cost back in 24 hours, no joke, before the market dump. Cannot recommend enough. Even when crap hits the fan, Lifer, the group stays calm, focuses on what you know. TA, a great group. Shout out to Kronos Balthazar, man. Thank you so much for saying that. I'm going to put that in the testimonial. Much respect to you, man. Much respect to you, because altcoins tend to follow Bitcoin. I just explained what goes on. Money gets into Bitcoin first. It leaves Bitcoin, goes into large caps. It leaves large caps, goes into small caps. So Bitcoin has to pump first. The money, where's the money? The money left the market. The money does not rush into altcoins first. It rushes into Bitcoin first. When Bitcoin pumps, that money falls back into the altcoins. You need to understand the market cycle of cryptocurrency. And that's important because if you don't play it right, you end up holding altcoins at the wrong time, right? Like right now is a good time to probably, you know, diversify a little into Bitcoin, in my personal opinion, right? I would let it pump to at least around 250, in my opinion. Bill Peterson. Bill P, have to go into the trade with a plan, brother. When should I take profit? I sold at 170 and bought back at 165. I got scared it was going to pump higher. Ooh, you got scared. That means you used your emotions. You traded with emotions strictly. You don't want to use the word I got scared, I got worried, I thought. This is what I... No. You got to look at the chart and make a plan with the chart and stick to it. Like this call right here. I'm getting out when Bitcoin hits 72K. I'm not going to get scared that it's going to go to 75K. I'm not going to get scared. I'm going to get out 72K and call it a day. I'm not going to take my stop loss away and think, oh, I'm going to get scared because they're going to dump me. No, we can't use fear. Fear is fake emotions acting real. You cannot use fake emotions acting real. That's just not real. Fear is faking emotions acting real. Repeat that to yourself over and over again. It's true. Fake emotions acting real. You cannot give in to fear. You cannot give in to fear. And you cannot be using fear while you're trading. It's going to ruin you. That's how you get wrecked. That's how you get wrecked. I need to get one of those $100 lessons from the Lifer. Jump on in, hit my tutoring session, and get a session. I'll straighten you out in 1 hour. I will straighten you out. I'm being honest. Like, I'll give it to you hard. I'll teach you how to do proper risk management. I'll teach you when you're overextended. We'll find your number, meaning everyone has a number where they sit, where they can handle a trade and they can't. We're going to find that number for you. We're going to work with your psyche to find out how to use the patterns and the trading to keep you in line. Everybody needs it. I needed it for a long time. Now I'm the guy that gives it. I had mentors that gave it to me. I passed down what I learned. That's what this channel is about. That's what everything is about in life. If you can pass down what you learn, beautiful thing. So look, the market cap was in a cup and handle. I suggested that it broke out of the cup and handle and broke to the upside. So far, look, following my pure trajectory for the total market cap. So this is the total market cap. This is Bitcoin dominance. Excuse me. This is Bitcoin dominance. So it just said market cap up there, threw me off. Market cap of Bitcoin dominance. So up, down, up, down. Now, dominance is fighting right now. I believe dominance may want to pump. Why? Because Bitcoin resurges and gets back to its highs. It pumps dominance. Remember, I even said, guys, I think there's going to be a Bitcoin pump. If you remember, we went over dominance like 4 or 5 days ago. And I said, dominance is at the bottom of the channel and it's oversold in the 4 hour. I said, that tells us that we should see a pump. I need it and took the tutoring, needed 3 lessons. I needed it and took that tutoring, needed 3 lessons. Shout out to Hadouken. Much respect to Hadouken. And now he's one of my admins who posts charts. I'm just telling you, man. This guy, he put in the work, though. He put in 5. He puts in the work. He puts in 5, 6, 7 hours a day trade. Like, he puts in the work. He's in the charts like I am. He realized that was his way out. That the charts were going to be his way out. So he went in. The way out is in. Anyone ever tell you that? The hardest way out is in. If you get into the charts, they'll get you out of any situation you've ever been in your life. They'll teach you how to be a disciplined individual. They'll teach you how to maintain focus. They'll teach you how to become organized. Same, needed 3. Shout out to Tenacious Tim up in the spot, man. And Tenacious Tim became one of my best traders in the beginners group. Guy was posting charts left and right, helping beginners left and right. Of all the people that joined my group, Tenacious Tim was the fastest to start helping beginners. The guy was all over it. Like, it was unbelievable, honestly, what he was doing. So, shout out to Tenacious Tim, man. Much respect to you. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you very much. Yeah, and these guys are people who got tutoring, and it changed how they look at the charts. I saw it. Like, I saw from the day they started my group and they got into the tutoring, they were like, oh, what's a line? They didn't even know what a freaking line was. Like, they didn't even know how to draw a trend line. These guys were like, and for 4 weeks from then, I saw them posting profitable trades. Like, literally posting trades. Gaining confidence enough to push it. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Shout out to Murrows, man. Shout out to Hadouken. Shout out to Maya Goyo. Shout out to Damian Stevens. Shout out to Burgermeister. Shout out to Mayak. Ray. I took 2 privates with Lifer. He turned a newbie into a confident, proficient trader. Thanks, Lifer. Shout out to Ray. Yeah, and it takes time, man. It takes time. Shout out to Ray for the $50 super chat. Much respect to you, man. Thank you very much, Ray. I appreciate you, man. Thank you very, very much. I've been through 2 learned, so much needed to digest in starts, arts and crafts for a few weeks now. Ready to go for a couple more to build on the knowledge and fill the gaps. There you go, man. $50 tip from Felipe. Thanks, man. Clancy, where can I learn to do all the things with the graph? I'll take a tutoring session. How many hours would I need per day to do this as a side gig? I own my own business and only work about 10 hours a week, so I definitely have time for a side gig. But I have 5 kids to raise. Bill Peterson, damn, 5 kids, bam. I'm also really enjoying the group. Well worth the 90. I'm learning something each day. I'm going to make it back this week. Learned about a cup and handle, which hopefully showed on AMP this morning and got in on Anthony Wilson. We'll take a look at AMP for you then. Thank you so much for that super chat that started right at the beginning. Check out AMP, said Double D123. That's so funny, Double D123. Hey, take a moment. Can you take a look at Vital Token? The website is vitaltoken.org. Big love. Shout out to IO, Vital Token. All right, we'll take a look at that. Master nodes. Just want to make sure we went over did you invest in Titan? Doing great. My first super chat ever. Can you talk about the Phantom Network? Yeah, I mean, the Phantom Network is unbelievable, guys. Phantom Network's unbelievable. All right, now I just want to finish this real quick. So we're about to get oversold again. It tells you that dominance wants to rip again on the 4-hour, man. And when dominance wants to rip, it's gonna hurt some altcoins, but it's gonna pump. You are amazing for the $19.99 mixed Jasole. Jasole throwing his weight around with the $20 super chat. Much respect to both you guys. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate you guys. There's always someone blessing me, man. Always someone blessing me. I appreciate you guys. So moving forward, right, we're going to take a look now at total and total 2, which is the entire market cap. All right, but right now I believe, man, Bitcoin dominance. So look at that daily. It's extended on the daily. This is a good sign. That could spell a relief rally for the altcoins. So the daily, we could have 3, 4, 5 days more. A nice little Bitcoin pump up to 48, 49K. I'd love to see Bitcoin get rejected by 50K or something, come back to 47, 45, and then go from 45 to 80, 48K like this. If Bitcoin can go from 45 to 80K up and down, right, and do its thing, we could start to see some action in the altcoins. And then this is spelling, that, look, this could be a downtrend right here. This is altcoin rally. We had a nice altcoin rally, another altcoin rally, right? This could be a beautiful altcoin rally right here as dominance lets go. So a big line in the sand. If dominance breaks this line here, breaks above basically 46 and rips up to 47 and then breaks 47, it's going to be bad for the altcoins. So I'm just putting that out there. It's not going to be good. So I'd like to see just a little more push up, rejection from maybe this high, back into the pattern. The daily will kick in, reset, and then we can fall or go sideways. So Bitcoin can go sideways and dominance will drop. Okay, so there's your dominance profile. There's your dominance prediction, your dominance projection for the coming days. 4 hour says the alts are going to be tough to trade. Alts are tough to trade when dominance is trending higher. Even trending a little bit like that. Hopefully it will go sideways and we'll still get some alt action. So that's what I'm hoping for. I just got stopped out of my phantom trade this morning. It was sad, Tom Reed. Yeah, I mean, I would just build positions in these coins. I agree, like dollar cost average at these low prices. Okay, now moving forward. Let's kind of look at total and total too. Total is the entire market cap, right? I want to see my levels. I want to know what numbers matter. And I gave you these kind of projected ideas that if we broke this trend line, so a break to the upside could signal a relief rally. And we did get a bit of a relief rally when we broke to the upside, right? Just as predicted. Now, as I move a trend line there, moving down here and looking at this, we're going to take a look at this pennant that we're in, okay, for Bitcoin. Now, total needs to hold this trend line and stay bullish. That was extremely important, right? We did hold that trend line, and then we broke on up. Look, double bottom. This is why you do not go against the grain, my friend. Shout out to Safome, Sing For Me, with the awesome subscription, man. Shout out to Sing For Me. Appreciate you. Shout out to Rain Vafe. Another subscriber up in the spot. Shout out to everyone subscribing to the YouTube channel. We should get to 10,000 by tonight. Come on, man. I can't get 270 subs in one day. I know I can. What do I do? I run outside? I got to pull a stunt. There's got to be something I could do to pull off 270 subs in a day. I mean, it can't be that hard. By the end of the week, 10,000 party on Friday. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. I'm usually getting 30 to 40 during a live stream. So if I live stream twice, maybe I'll get 60. 60 times 3, 180. 3 days, I get 180. I'd like to get into pre-sales, but not easy to get info you need. Do you get into pre-sales on your Patreon? Honestly, every once in a while, I get lucky, and I get what's called VC allocation and stuff like that. So, and I let the Patreons in, but it's only happened one time. So it's not guaranteed, but it is an extra added benefit that if you are a paid 99 member of my Patreon, that you will have access, you know. And again, there's 230 people in the Patreon now, 240 more people in the Patreon than the Patreon says, because I got a lot of people that pay in crypto. And, you know, I can't, you know, but what I do is I pick 20 people each time, and I try not to pick the same 20 people. So there you go. So look, there's a rejection. You can see that there's strong support here at 1.62 trillion, even 1.63 trillion. Let's hope that this is a bounce to the upside, and we're just doing a retest of support. So that's what we want to see. 4 hours suggests that we could break to the downside, though. See, the 4 hours getting, you know, so what we want to see is we want sideways action while the 4 hour resets. That's bullish. That's why you want to juxtapose price and stochastics. When you see stochastics slipping and price kind of, you know, maintaining, that's it's creating what's called springboard. It's getting ready for a push to the upside, right? So look, now we look at total. The total is flagging too right now, which is a good sign. So far so good. We're flagging on total, man. And the 1 hour wants to rip, which is interesting. So the 1 hour is very bullish, right? Daily, not so much. Yeah, daily's just kind of crushing up the line, but we had a nice push up. Daily will reset. Look, each time we reset, we lost some money. We went from 1.75 all the way to 1.39. I mean, 400 billy. This one was even a little from the wick of 1.72 all the way to this wick at 1.4. Yeah, another $372 billion. And the same thing here. So, you know, we're about to get extended and have a drop. I mean, it says we'll probably come back to this line. 154 billion. Doesn't make sense to me, but that's what the TA says. Sometimes my logic and emotions, they're not what I want to be using. I want to use just the TA. The TA says, you know what? You're going to get a little more of a push. So what we want is we want to hope that the daily can get us like we just crossed the line on the daily. And yeah, we did still see some movement the last time we just crossed that line. Possibly from 1.68 all the way to 1.75, 1.78. So could we get back up to this high, you know? And then obviously, look, resistance is strong at 1.76 trillion. So we need to break it. Look, we bounced here. We got rejected, bounce, rejected. So you can see that this is going to be a big deal. We're going to have to bust through this. So this is total. This is the entire market cap, guys. You want to be checking out the total market cap. It's going to really tell you what's going on and give you a picture of what's happening in the market. Now we're going to look at total 2, which is all the cryptos excluding Bitcoin, and they look basically identical. I see it in this wedge breaking to the upside. Now the daily is just way less extended on the altcoins, which is a good sign than the entire market cap. So the altcoins want to rip. So it looks like we're going to get a little, I think in 2-3 days, all these chats are suggesting we're going to get a little more relief rally for the altcoins. So write this down on the whiteboard. You get a whiteboard, right? And I'm going to write down Bitcoin dominance, BTCD. All right, I'm going to write down total market cap, total 2 actually, because that's more what we're looking at. And I'm going to write total 2, like, you know, suggests we go from 8, you know, where we're at here at 885 up to back to the trillion. So total 2 suggests 885 bill back to 1 trill, right? Now dominance says that in 2 or 3 days, or, you know, 1 to 3 days, probably 2 days, it's going to roll over on the daily. You got to write these things down because I say these things every day, but then I see people in my chat who like a day later, they're wondering what the heck I'm saying. They're like, oh, why is Bitcoin dumping right now? And I'm like, guys, like I showed you 2 days ago that Bitcoin should be dumping down to this level, you know? So write this stuff down when you see me talk about it on the channel. And then 2 days from now, when it happens, you're not freaking out. Like you use it to your advantage. Shout out to 193 people on the live stream. Can we get the likes up to the watchers, please? 193 people. There's 50. Let's see how fast I can do the math. 4793, right? 50, right? There's 56 people. Just went to 58 people that aren't hitting the like button. Now, actually, 48 people. I made a mistake. 48 people not hitting the like button. 49 people now. I'm calling you out. I'm going to find your IPs and hunt you down. Fly my drone over your house. Yo, Crypto Love need to drop a diss track on Elon. We could possibly do that. We'll take a look, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me, guys. And that is your time. So far already, we've given you a market projection. It looks like alts are going to pump to the upside. We gave you support and resistance on the entire market cap, like where we're at with the trillions of dollars and where things should go. Okay? And on top of that, we also gave you a trade for Bitcoin. Now, the show just started. Now we're going to give you so much more. Now we're going to get into all the altcoins. We're going to do deep dives. We're going to go through super chats. And now the show really begins. Like, we go through Bitcoin dominance, total, and total too. We show you where the market's going. We give you market structure. You understand what's happening. I want you to be able to do this yourself. If you ain't able to see my show today, if you were doing something, I hope you're getting a free version of TradingView. And I hope you're charting these for yourself to give yourself an understanding of where the market's going. You know? Don't just rely on me every single day. All right. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me. Okay. All right. Here we go. I know how to use my giant whiteboard that I never used in my office at home. I now have a use for my giant. Yeah, you got to use it, man. Sam, I meant earlier I learned a cup and handle and saw it on GRT, 1 and 2 hour, not AMP. Okay, sorry, man. Dude, this guy is full. Why would you say that? Luna and Matic moving a lot if Bitcoin continues over 40K today. Yeah, we'll take a look at Luna. You know, also, too, Crypto Banter pushes... he will fuck you guys up. All his profit is from YouTube. I'm gonna show his thing. That's not true. All my profit is from tutoring and from my Patreon. So YouTube pays me barely any money at all. I'll be honest. Dead honest. So he's lying. And say I didn't say so. He's lying. That guy's lying. We shouldn't even talk about it. But anyway, I'm willing to like even spotlight him and show them that he's lying. It's sad because he just missed out on like an awesome group of people who are really probably going to help him. He's in a bad frequency. So let us pray for this man. Let us pray for this Aziz Rumahi. Yo, the universe, may you please bring Aziz to some clarity so he doesn't use his energy to spread bad energy on others. Could have been doing something better with his time. What do you think about Electronian Classic? He must have got wrecked. Yeah, who knows what happened to him? He's just jealous that he's not on YouTube. I don't know. Sam works hard for his money, transparent and fair. Ja Soleil, man, how much did I miss? Nothing, Shauna. You're awesome. You're awesome. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Okay, let's see what's going on. Luna and Matic moving too. Yeah, they are. All right, now let me go through these super chats. We got a bunch of super chats. Isn't there a place where I can just see all the super chats at once? You know? Aziz, you're wrong, bro. Crypto Liver's helping other lifers. He's my boss. Show respect. See if you helps make yours too. Yeah. Pray for Aziz. Yeah, pray for that dude, man. Pray for that dude, bro. He needs help. Shout out to everyone here on the live, man. Jeju Doge, man. Go Jeju Doge. Snake oil. Jason Bitcoin. Okay. All right, let's take a look. D. Harrison. Yeah, you guys are... Yeah, I don't know why you guys are allowing that stuff. My moderators, bro. You're all falling off, man. I got like 10 of y'all in here. Funny, man. Ethereum Classic, bro. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go through these super chats, man. You are amazing. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. All right, we're going to keep it moving, guys. You guys, this is the show that never stops. I usually don't stop talking until the end of the show. We keep it moving as fast as the speed of light. There's never a moment of time where it just kind of drops off. Every time it drops off, I'm like, whoa, I can't have it drop off like this. Got to keep it moving. Like, this is like a podcast, a TV show, right? Keep you on the edge of your feet all the time, every time. Keep it moving. Shooting off the synapses at every moment of the day. All right, there's some few things. All right, master nodes, we talked about that, blah, blah, blah. Okay, Vital Token. Can you take a look at Vital Token, vital.org? You know, it reminds me of my vitals. So let's take a look at vitaltoken.org. We're going to see if this one's worth it to jump on in. What's going on with Vital Token? Thank you for giving the website real quick, vitaltoken.org. Vital is more than just a cryptocurrency. Vital resources we aspire to perpetuate. Interesting. The only crypto that gives more than it takes. Vital Token is on a mission to transform the crypto industry by bringing the gap between finance and philanthropy, by creating a cryptocurrency that benefits the planet as well as the holders. Vital, the Vital Network. Vital Token is a community-driven project engineered and tailored to make substantial, necessary changes in the world we live in by working together. Vital resources. Did you know that over 15 billion trees are cut down each year? This is why we set on a mission to plant 10 million trees. We estimate this can be achieved once we hit a $1 million market cap. 15 billion trees are cut down each year. How unique. Anti-rug pull, vision, longevity. 2.1 people lack clean drinking water. To put this in perspective, 3 out of 10 people don't have access to clean drinking water. Isn't that crazy right now? So like I'm right now I'm blessed. I get to drink clean drinking water whenever I want. Like I'm super blessed. Like I don't have to go walk somewhere. Like this is crazy, bro. This is hitting me right now. Like I have clean drinking water, but other people in the world do not. Like that's why this YouTube is going to continue to push forward, guys. I'm going to become a billionaire. Mark my words. I'm going to make $1 billion and I'm going to donate. I'm going to keep maybe 100 mil and I'm going to donate the rest of it to the rest of the world. I'm going to make sure people have clean drinking water. I'm not going to sit in my house with $1 billion and drink water when I know that there's 3 out of 10 people that can't get drinking water. Like that's unacceptable to me. Like that's not, like you can't sit on piles of money when you know other people are hurting. If you're not out there, if you have the time and the resources to go and change the world and you're sitting in your BMW, yo, you're a loser, bro. Like to all you billionaires and millionaires, anyone watching my show, you're a multi-millionaire and you're not giving back. You're spending all your money on family vacations and, going out to high-end dinners. Yo, cut off a few high-end dinners and donate. Like, you could take off 4 high-end dinners. That's like $1,000. I mean, some of these dinners are $1,000 a piece. You could donate a couple grand to someone in need, man. So I'm really about this. I'm going to become a billionaire, and I'm going to donate 90% of it to people that need clean drinking water, man. So if you're with me, if you want to build a legacy with me, then come on, let's move, man. Let's move. So that's why I'm chasing gains. That's why I'm going after these coins, man, because I want to change the world. Yeah. Would appreciate Tesla. Your email address doesn't work. CryptoLifers@gmail. CryptoLifers@gmail. You're not putting an S at the end. So we know it works. We have a team, man. I have a team working for me, man. We know the YouTube. We know the email works. Like, I'm not the one that answers the email. Like, I know it works. Can you check out AMP? You find it on Coinbase. We'll take a look at AMP for you, my friend. And Vital Token. Now, solar power is a crucial factor for our ecosystem. Solar power is a crucial determining factor in our longevity of our ecosystem. Solar power is not that good. The way we have it right now, we got to fix it. The panels get thrown out and they deteriorate into the earth. They have chemicals. They're really, really bad. I was going to start a solar panel company and I realized that solar panels are actually really bad for the environment. We got to find a new way to do solar. We got to change the panel. We got to change the way the panels are using certain chemicals. We need to reinvent solar power for it to be even more efficient. It's good. It's doing its thing. But these things are really, really bad for the environment once they get thrown out. It's very similar to the batteries that they're using in Tesla cars and stuff like that. We don't know what to do with these batteries. We don't know how to properly, they just kind of sit in landfills and stuff. It's really not good. So how to buy? Click here. The Vital Network. Interesting. Purchase BNB and send it to the Trust wallet. Oh, so they have a whole, or you can go to Pancake Swap and do all your thing. And, they're far more efficient than most. I'll give them that, right? Roadmap, how to buy, download the white paper. But it's still, to me, one of those crap deflationary tokens, right? It's a crap coin, right? Let's get honest. Like, I'm being honest. It's a micro cap gem. I'll be really nice about it. It's a micro cap gem. That's another word for a SHIT coin, right? It's a micro cap gem, guys. Nothing wrong. I'm not saying it's bad. I actually like the premise. It's cool. But right now, I could, for like $2,000, I could make that website. I could pay a coder to make the coin. I could put out the supply. And then I could pay for ads right now on PoodCoin. And you'd be talking about my Vital token right now and how it's going to change the... Is it really going to do anything? We don't know. I mean, there's no really way of knowing anything at all. So AMP up 23%, doing its thing. And trending today, look, we have SafeMoon trending. SafeMoon popped hard. Back up 4.6, doing its thing. Like if we just take this little section here. Yeah, so SafeMoon came up hard, man. It was down at 368 and pumped all the way up. 475, 476. Not bad, not bad. SafeMoon. Gas up the SafeMoon yacht. Where's my man Crypto Greg, man? Gassing up that SafeMoon yacht. We're going to take a look at AMP on Coinbase. Take a look at Vital Token. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me. Appreciate all the super chats. Appreciate all the love. And appreciate you sharing your most precious asset with me, guys. And that is your time. That is your time. And there's always a hater, man. All I know is Michael Saylor is practically betting his life on cryptocurrency. Yeah, he is, man. And I can't wait. We're going to spend a little section on the news today. Super excited to get into the news. Ooh. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Shout out to all the new subscribers up in the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Anyway, can you look at Anchor? We will. Jane Doe. Cleaner, actually. I'm new to crypto. Thank you, sir, for your education. Shout out to John Doe anytime, man. Lifer, can you look at TA for Vital Token? Chart was on the website. That was my super chat. Vital Token. Let's take a look at Vital Token. Badger Dev, big ups, Lifer. Thanks for the vibe and the content you provide. You should check out giveth.io as a way to give back and support the global philanthropy. Giveth.io. Cool, man. Let me try to grab that. Giveth.io. So long term, everything rely on Bitcoin, or will crypto slowly have more influence on the market? That's the question that everybody asks. Everybody wants to know. You know what I'm saying? And I believe, you know, look at the HNT miner. You know, look at Celsius. Look at products that are really providing a way of life. Soon, cryptocurrency is going to provide a better way of life, right? And people want a better way of life. They always go after things that provide them a better way of life. We got to get into yield farming on Phantom and Matic together. We will. As a whole group, we're going to do it. Trust me. When the market starts to feel right, I'm going to make a huge move into Phantom and Matic yield farming. Trust me. Don't try to change the world until your bedroom is spotless. How can anyone hate the lifer is beyond me, crypto guys. Hey, man, it is what it is. Anyone can hate anyone, believe me. Anyone with hate in their heart can hate anything they want. Yeah, solar is garbage. Oil and coal is the way to go. Clean as any other renewable energy. Coal and oil are renewable as well. Yeah, people don't realize that coal is renewable energy, you know? Anyway, so long term, will everything rely on Bitcoin? Yeah, and quartz is the most abundant resource in the world. Elon likes lithium mining, but not Bitcoin mining. I know, right? They have a solar spray under the radar coming soon to the public. A solar spray? Under the radar? Interesting. Big Reams. Question, why is the whole crypto market seemingly dependent on BTC? Because it's the beast, man. It's the king. Practice killing them with kindness all day long. Question, why is the whole crypto market seemingly dependent on BTC? Because that's what it is, man. Cryptocurrency kind of, you know, big reams, 3 to 5 years, 90% of these coins will be gone, and we won't even remember their names, just like the .com era. I think he's right. Yeah, there's going to be some winners, and then everything else is just going to be like, oh, we tried to do this, we tried to do that. People get cash grabs. A lot of this stuff is cash grabs, man. You know, the way you say, interesting. Ha. Yo, for your information, many of these charity coins will be scams. Not against giving, but it is what it is. Yeah, I agree, man. It's like, you can't just post a site and tell me you're going to be giving away money each time. And like, I'm just not with it anymore. I'm actually kind of not. I don't like them. I know they have good ideas and they're cool, but like, I don't think they're really going to do what they say they're going to do. I think they're cash grabs. Hey, man, what's your take on Mina? Is it a good project or not? Great show, man. Yes, Mina's hot. Right here, videos I'm going to be coming out with soon. Mina. Look at Mina. All right. Write things down, man. Mina's going to be huge. And I already know why Mina's going to be huge. I understand the tech behind Mina, and I don't want to ruin it, but it's going to be a big thing. Mina's going to be absolutely huge. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. The road to hell is paved with good intentions. Mina protocol. Hey, man, what's your take on Mina? The road to hell is paved with good intentions. Yeah, I'm going to save the world. People wanted to do the right thing. The guys at Enron wanted to be good guys. They believed they could change the world. Please, man. So we didn't get stopped out, or we got very close. Now we did, that was a stop out right there. So you got stopped out 10%. So it's been volatile. I didn't even notice it yesterday because like I was looking at Bitcoin so closely. The volatility has been insane, man. Right? Now, I'm looking at Theta for you guys right now, but I'm going to take a look at AMP in a second. Some days I'm way better at the super chat. Some days, if you go 7 days a week, right? It's just like work, man. Some days you're just insane at work. You do everything right. And then some days you're like, man, I felt like I could have done a little better today, and it happens. So, is this it? Did we fall out of the pattern and we were supposed to have a bearish retest, bounced off the 200, and then got back into the pattern? That's what I think is happening right now, right? And we're looking juicy on the daily. So Theta, man. Theta. The buy zone right there, $5. Even just a week ago, I still can't believe you got a Theta for $4. To me, that's insane. Because it's funny, I sold Theta at $5.87 and thought I would never get it cheaper. But boy, oh boy, would I. On May 20th, man. Who would have thought, man? The dump of all dumps, man. Theta went back to $3.98. Is Doge run over, or should I move other crypto as a majority holding? Suggestions. If Doge is your majority holding, I think you might want to rebalance your portfolio. Bro, what is your opinion on the market trend? Will it go down again? We went over that at the beginning of the show. I went over Total 2. I went over Bitcoin. So I don't want to go over those again. I spent go back into the earlier stream and watch Total 2 and Bitcoin. I mean, that's where I spend the first hour of the show going over the entire market. Then we have fun. And it's all fun, but that's like the work. Then we have fun and we just dive into cryptos and we talk about coins and we just have a blast. So if you want to have a blast with me, come on in, man. Jump on in. Please tell your friends. Please help me get to 10,000 subs, man. It's going to be a big deal. 10,000 sub party. I'm going to do a giveaway. 10,000 subs, I'm giving away $100 worth of Bitcoin. I just said it out here. I just came up with it right now. $100 worth of Bitcoin. I'm going to tell my team about it. So $100 giveaway. Share this. Please follow me. In order to get the giveaway, you need to follow me on Twitter. All right? You need to follow me on Telegram and join the Telegram room. All right? All right? So you need to follow me, and you need to obviously subscribe to the YouTube channel. And you need to leave a comment under the video when I talk about the giveaway. So I'm going to make a giveaway video for my 10,000 subs, and you need to comment on the bottom of the video. You need to like the video. You need to follow me on Twitter at CryptoLifer33, and you need to join the trading room. If I see you did all those things, you got to show me that you did all those things. Bam. I will pick a lucky subscriber for $100 in Bitcoin, and that will be the giveaway at 10,000 subs, man. Busy at work. We'll watch the full stream later. Dropped in to like the video. Patreon powered. Don't forget. Shout out to Catus Ice. Much respect. Thank you very much. I'm interested in your OnlyFans. Oh, you want to see me take it off? Okay. If you're a girl and you're interested in OnlyFans, maybe we could figure something out. I'll ask my wife if that's legit. I'm just messing around, man. You guys are silly. But anyway, look what we see happening right here. But I mean, I'm a businessman. I'll get that money, So look, inverted head and shoulders. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Right? Break to the upside. Right? Bottom of the pattern was the buy there, 734. About to make its move. So again, we go at it again. Enter into Theta right now and ride this puppy up. Mainnet coming, 126%, up to $20. Theta. And look, just under a month ago, you got it for $3. You'd be up damn near, isn't that crazy? 300% gains. So despite this crazy market, 300% gains with the dumpage, right? So 16%, man. Why would anyone do all this work for $100? Shout out to Chris, man. Jersey Shore, the crypto pimp. You think that's a lot of work for $100 to join the Patreon? No, you don't have to pay for the Patreon. I mean, to join the Telegram group. That's a very good possibility. XRP needs to win this lawsuit for the sake of the whole market, to be honest. Nah, it does not for the whole stake of the market, but I'll do it for $100 in crypto. Yeah, that's all I'm saying. I won't move my finger for less than 2,000, Chris. That's so crazy, man. Well, then, good luck making food in the morning or whatever. Good luck taking a piss. Oh, my gosh. So every day you pee, you have to spend $2,000 just to take a piss. So when you pee like 6 times a day, it costs you $12K. You have to pay someone to unzip your pants and hold your hold your member for you. Is that how it works? Freaking guy. They want to see the inverted head and shoulders on OnlyFans. This guy's crazy. You guys are crazy, bro. So take a look, man. Shoulder, head, and shoulder. Break to the upside. Look, 200-day moving average moving through the bottom of the pattern, right? I talk about that all the time. The daily is pointing to the upside. Let's take a look at this other time frames. 4 hour wants to come to the downside. So it looks like we're going to get theta one more time cheaply. That's what it's saying. It's saying that this is a shoulder, head, and a shoulder here. Look. It's saying we got a shoulder here, we got a head there, and we probably will make another shoulder. That's what it's suggesting. So I'd wait for theta to come down on the 4 hour. You know, if it doesn't come down, it goes sideways, but I'd at least wait for the 4 hour to reset. So you play the daily, you wait the 4 hour to nail, right? 1 hour is actually in your favor right now, which is interesting. So you're getting conflicted moves in the 1 hour and the 4 hour. What do you do when that happens? A lot of students are asking that. The 4 hour says I'm good, but the 1 hour says yay. And so what you have to do is say, okay, well, you have to take a look at the 1 hour then and play the 1 hour the way it wants to be played. And then see how that fits in with the rest of your narrative, right? So could we double bottom up here and just kind of do this and then come down, right? That's a possibility, all right? We see a double top. That's an M. M's are bearish patterns right off the bat. So we start to build a story. That's an M. M's should break to the downside, right? The measured move of the M is about right there. How do I get the measured move? You take the length from the top of the M to that area and then put it where the M hits the same line, which is like the neckline of the M, we call it. And then boom, that would be your measured move. So you take this line here, you draw it to there, you swing it over to where the M ends, which is that you may make a line if you have to right there, you know, and that tells you that this M should break down to about right there. Middle of the pattern at about 824. Another thing is we are flagging. We're in a bit of a flag here. Can we hold this flag? So take a look. If we can hold this flag and continue to the upside, we could break out. So this is what I see happening actually. Reset, reset, reset. 1 hour up, down, hopefully, right? And then that time the 4 hour can reset. Theta won't have to revisit the bottom area. But I'd put both ideas. So my idea for theta, up, down, down, up, down. Hopefully it then breaks on out. Now if it breaks this line, leave some capital on the side for a possibility of theta hitting there. So these are my two areas. These are my two thoughts. See how there's always a double-edged sword, double idea, but there and there, and then I'm thinking, okay, that will be my buy zone, and that will be my buy zone. So I want to pay 864 for theta, maybe 854, right? Or 864, and then I'm hoping in for a 743, 741. I keep saying that just accumulate theta between $6.50 and $8, like. And don't really stress the don't stress the just keep accumulating theta cheap. Instead of giving $100, give one free Patreon a month. Yeah, but I'm trying to get new. I'll do that. I was thinking of doing that. Right? But the idea is I want to get more subscribers and more people. So I want people to subscribe to the channel. So I have a team. They're telling me we need to do a giveaway. And honestly, it was like, you know what? This is a great time to do a giveaway. All right. Awesome, man. Sounds like a solid plan. All right, cool. For real-time captioning for your event. Captioner. Interesting. Real-time captioner. Huh. Okay. That's pretty cool. Okay. Let me look at that chat. What's up with the chat, man? What y'all saying in here? Okay. Mike Jordan, what's good, bro? Much love, man. They should share a tweet to sub to your YouTube for entry. Yeah, exactly. They got to do some action. What chart? Mac, please. Mac. AMC. We love the stonks. You're awesome, bro. Thanks for the great TA. Shout out to Chris, man. Much respect to all you people. They want to see the inverted head and shoulders on the... Oh, man, this guy. I'll read this up. B Pro. Can you look at B Pro? I got to look at AMP for my man. But here's a call for Theta, man. I just wanted to put Theta on your radar. This is my idea for Theta. I'm going to leave that. I'm doing a lot of video calls recently. You'll notice that the Patreon now, I'm starting to do video calls. You don't just get a chart, you get an entire video kind of showing you what's going down, kind of explaining what's going in, and kind of giving you guys the idea, okay, you know, this is what's happening. This is what I think. These are the two scenarios. I'm going to play both like this. If this breaks that, I'm going to plan for this. If this goes that. And because the video call really encompasses my teachings, and it really shows you more. And I haven't seen them a lot. I've been a part of a lot of other groups. There's a few video calls or video, add-ins. But I want to give you, if I give you 10 calls, obviously it's harder to do a video call every single time. But, I can give at least 4 video calls of 10, 5 out of 10, So that's my next idea. So look out for that. You're going to see some video calls coming out at you. I just want you guys to understand. And it also helps you learn more than just the chart, right? I can explain so much more in that video to really give you the key insight as to why you want to get down, right? Why you want to be a part of the group. And honestly, hands-on, man. It's hands-on in my group. Like, you will learn a lot. No way you won't learn a lot. Let's take a look at AMP USDT. So it took me way too long to get to this. So sorry. Usually doesn't take me that long. We usually get to things. Wow, so this thing exploded out of a cup and handle. AMP. I mean, wow. Wow. Weren't we talking about this the other day too? I'm a little upset that I missed like most of this move. Like, that's kind of whack. But guys, cup and handle. And I can only reiterate so much how these cup and handles explode. You find a cup with that right handle, and then you get in on the right handle and let it fly, guys. And you get 40%. Guaranteed. I know it's crazy. And again, none of this is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor. Don't do anything you see or do on this channel, and do your own research before getting into any trade. But that was the measured move, right? And we went a little past it. And honestly, like, without even checking, I'm pretty sure you're going to get because these are 40% gains every time. Look at that. It was a 54%. Cup and handles are a guaranteed 40%. Look, 44%. So you want to just play this pattern and this pattern only as much as possible. And that was fast. I mean, look. It took 23 hours to make 44%. I mean, that's a beautiful, beautiful win right there. So, unbelievable. AMP. So now what, right? Now what you want to do? Well, you had a pump, right? You had a pump and a half. You're definitely oversold on the 1 hour. You had to come back down. That's why you never buy, guys. You're never buying up here. You're never, I'm going to say it again, never say never. You do not buy up here. You buy down here. If you miss it, you do not force a trade. You wait for a reset. So wait for this to come down and reset. Right now, this is where Fibonacci retracement comes in. So the cup and handle exploded to the upside. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Now hit Alt F, which is going to be your shortcut, and bring that from the high to the low. Right? And then, hold on. You're going to bring it to the high to the low. That's going to be your Fibonacci levels that you're going to be looking for, okay? Bam. Now, I came to the 618, right? 618 right there. Beautiful. Boom. That's where really we want to see the price. Actually, in between the 618 and the 0.65, that's the golden pocket right here. I created this little golden pocket. Come on in, baby. Come on in. So you could set a limit order for this at these prices. Wow, it didn't even hit a penny yet, too. It started to make a move at 0.06. It went to 0.08. Broke the all-time high. And this thing just came out, January 10th. So a new coin starting to make its move. No, June 10th. I'm so sorry. June 10th. I'm about to say, this is the 1 hour chart. June 10th, this thing formed the pump with the bull and started to make a move. We're going to take a look at Fala. Fala looks a lot like this right now. We're going to start to see some coins that look very similar. And you're going to want to play these exact type of patterns. Pattern recognition will come into play. It will be really, really good. They showed a tweet to sub to your YouTube for entry. Yeah, we'll figure it all out. If 3 out of 10 don't have access to clean drinking water, that means 30% of the world's population doesn't have clean drinking water. Sorry, I know we're past it, but geez, that's stuck with me. No, it sticks with me too. It's horrible. And every time I look at this water and I drink out of it, I feel horrible. I need to do something about that. Like, I'm not going to sit back and watch people not have... That's why, like, I wasn't going to sit back and watch people not know how to trade.
I was going to teach people how to trade. I was going to be proactive to helping people. Jimmy 2 minutes. That's so funny, Jimmy 2 minutes. You're awesome, bro. Gotta love Bonfire and Safe Moon. Price up on a good day. Millions of free coins on a bad day. Please, what do you think about Luna and Terra Station? Yeah, I like what he just said. Like, people who sold all that Safe Moon gave us so much Safe Moon. So we just keep getting it. Like, if you just have the know-how to hold, like, I've been holding my Bonfire. I'm not getting rid of these coins, man. 197 people on the likes and 200 people watching. You guys are awesome, man. You guys are awesome, man. Unbelievable. And I have to say a word, bro. Where to buy AMP? Coinbase and Gemini, man. Wow, AMP did its thing, though. AMP did its thing. So look for the retracement to the 618, which is about 0.07, right? Not going to look at it until then. Yo, Dot gets on Coinbase, guys. Dot on Coinbase. Do you hear the news? Polkadot on Coinbase. Coinbase Pro. Polkadot getting onto Coinbase Pro. Huge deal, guys. Huge effing deal. Please, what do you think about Luna and Terra Station? Any thoughts on Stellar Lumens? I like Stellar Lumens. I believe it's going to be a bit of a Fed coin, something to do with the monetary policy. You know, Jeb McCaleb sees how some government ties. Shout out to Kevin Tam up in the spot. The video calls are awesome. I appreciate that. Love the video calls. Thank you, Lifer. Shout out to Buck Nasty. Yeah, guys, give me some feedback. You guys like the video calls. Is that true? Swamp also was corrupted by hackers like Bunny Swamp. Yes, I do. I believe Swamp was no, I can't think of the name. Swamp was yeah. What's the name when you're doing a mission and it gets compromised? It was compromised. Yep, it was compromised. Is that Paul Berry? Is that you, Paul? I knew it was, and I didn't even see Lifer. Can you check out the deeper network? For sure. Thoughts on Dot? We'll look at Polkadot for you as well. Thoughts on the deeper network? And Giveth.io. Let's take a look at Giveth.io. Giveth.io. The site doesn't load, and I copied exactly what you gave me, right? So, Giveth.io. Giveth. I'm going to say maybe you added an E that doesn't need to be there. They're trying to do something cool. There it was. See? I took the E out for you. Just so you knew, you gave me a super chat. I was smart enough to take the E out for you. Just putting that out there. That's how you move forward, man. Hey, Lifer, you got my thumbs up, man. Thank you very much. 205 people on the likes, 209 people watching. You guys rock, man. Compton. I don't see any channels that get the likes to the viewers matching, man. This is sick. Like, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed, man. It's gonna be awesome, man. Word Chanel. Oli Tierney, it adds smart contracts. Hi, Lifer, you get my thumbs up. Yeah, explain the Bitcoin update. A Bitcoin update is Taproot. It basically, you don't have to give so much information of every single transaction out to the network. It hides parts of the information. It gives more privacy to the Bitcoin user. Welcome to the future of giving. Donate directly to social good projects with zero added fees. Donate community projects. Honestly, guys, when it comes to me, I'm doing my own donations. Like, I'm handing my money to a family. I'm going to show up to a house and buy a kid, you know, I'm going to go to a town in Africa and literally watch the drill go in. I'm not giving my money to anyone. I'm starting my own thing because I know I'm going to put in 110%. I've been around these charitable places. I know a guy whose wife runs a charitable place. She makes 110 grand a year. Why is she getting 110 grand a year? The guy's a millionaire. There's no reason for her to be making 110 grand a year. And she runs a charitable organization. There's so many Hampton wives out here, you know, that are just running a charity. Let's get real, man. Life relate. However, thanks for all you do. Shout out to Crypto Greg, man. Bouncing on in, man. I hope you're bouncing off the waves later on today. Love you, Crypto Greg. Shout out to you, man. Hang 10, baby. I got my anchor shirt on. I'm getting ready for the summer. We're getting hype, baby. Go Trident token. Don't sleep. Dropping 23rd of June. I'm going to write that down on the whiteboard, see? And that's how the whiteboard runs, man. He called it Trident token. It may be complete garbage, but I'm writing it down on the whiteboard, so I have it. Get a whiteboard. Get yourself a whiteboard. Don't be silly. You're not going to remember all these things. You're going to miss a bunch of pumps. The whiteboard will make you so much money. Get a whiteboard and write right on the top, whiteboard equals money. No, because we got to make these connections. People aren't making the obvious connections in their life. Whiteboard makes money. Right there. Whiteboard equals money. Whiteboard equals money. All right? True story. Don't play yourself. California is free. The face today, no masks. Yo, I went through the store now. I walk through the store, no mask now. I don't give a damn. I see other people wearing a mask, and I just like, I'm done wearing a mask. I'm not doing it anymore. I went to Costco's, no mask. You know? All good, man. So, anyway, I'm going to take a look at the Dow Jones, right? Check out Try It and make it better. I want to look at the Dow, see what's going on with the Dow, right? I need all the super chats in one place, man. I wish they could all kind of be in one place. I can click on the ones that just came. We're going to look at the Deeper Network. I like Deeper Network. Deeper Network is a big deal. Shout out to Safe Moon, pumping today, getting a little bit of a movement. Shiba Uno, look at HODL. Remember that token we were talking about that? Whatever happened to HODL? Did it dump? It was in a bit of, yeah, it just dumped. And now you got to HODL it. Isn't that funny? Ha ha ha. Silly. Stupid. Ocean Fi, all this crazy stuff. Sashu Inu. AMP up in the spot, though. Isn't that funny? And we already went over it. All right, we're going to take a look at the Deeper Network. All right, why I like Deeper Network? Well, if you know the crypto lifestyle, he got in on those pre-sales on the Deeper Network, man. They did like a 50x on this thing. It's sitting at 8 cents. It got pounded, man. Pre-sale 27 cents, and it just got pounded. I bought into the Deeper Network somewhere down here thinking that was the dip at 16. Apparently it was not. This thing just keeps going down. Interesting. We're going to take a look at their website, the Deeper Network. Thank you so much for the $25 super chat. Much respect to you, my friend. Much respect to you. The Deeper.network. Let's see what's going on. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 213 likes, 213 watchers. Are you kidding me? Unbelievable, man. The YouTube algorithm's going to be like, yo, I better work harder for this guy. I mean, the YouTube algorithm knows it's gonna benefit from me, so it's going to help me because it's going to be like, hey, this guy keeps retention. Oh, I should give him more retention. Why don't we have 500 people watching this live stream, man? Anyway, the Deeper Network, a more secure, private, and fairer. I put on a cool radio voice when I do the coins, so. A more secure, private, and fairer internet for everyone. The Deeper Internet infrastructure for Web 3.0. Deeper Network combines blockchain, network security, and sharing economy to create a global peer-to-peer network that empowers the real users, the internet, and paves the way for the next generation of web. Deeper Network Private Network. Deeper Private Network is a P2P, decentralized bandwidth sharing network for bypassing censorship and ensuring privacy. The network is serverless and distributed. Every data can be logged. User data can never be logged, leaked, or hacked, or subpoenaed. Each node is operated and empowered to both a client and a server. Node operators earn mining rewards for contributing bandwidth to the network. Mining incentivization ensures the robustness of the network compared to the traditional P2P networking models. Decentralized web. Deeper Network provides the foundational infrastructure service for Web 3.0. Interesting. Okay, DNS is the architecture of the resolving IP addresses and querying the internet. Having a centralized DNS infrastructure makes the internet extremely fragile and prone to censorships and attacks. Decentralized DNS service help to make the internet more democratic. CNDC, the Deeper Network accelerates the web browsing experience by caching content into the cloud. Decentralized CDC allows faster edge access to cached content. Wow. DCN providers, web server, Deeper validator, DNS. I like how the visuals do in a lot of these. Ask for content from nearest decon provider. Ask for content if not cached. Decentralized gateway and dApp store. Decentralized hardware. Deeper Contact is a decentralized gateway to Web 3.0. True decentralization means that no single entity can dominate over the entire network. Not only can Deeper connect users securely accessing various decentralized network services provided by Deeper Network, but they can also seamlessly access various third-party dApp applications. I like the Deeper Network, man. It's been on my radar since the beginning. I own it. You know, I did get in at 16. I'm down 50%, but I like Deeper Network. It's got the Deeper chain, right? Atom OS, the world's first lock-free network operating system built with speed and security in mind. Atom OS uses zero-copy technology to read data packets directly from network devices for processing, result in a 10-fold increase in data packet forwarding speeds compared to the traditional operating systems such as Linux and FreeBSD. Atom OS also provides a 7-layer firewall platform platforming, deep high-speed filtering, and a data packets on generous hardware. Pretty crazy, man. A harmony of blockchain and tangible projects. A deeper connect, a blockchain-powered all-in-one solution that provides the true internet freedom, enhanced community, and frictionless user experience, and efficient mining for DP tokens. So this is a lot like Helium Network, in my opinion, right? So the deeper connect. So I have to buy one of these miners, right? So I could get into the deeper network. Now, how many people are getting one of these? Wow, this thing's $2,000. The world's first decentralized VPN and firewall for life. Pay once, no subscriptions, fast, secure, zero logging. The deeper network. The world's first decentralized VPN and firewall for life. $2,000. Interesting. New model, Deeper Connect Nano, also available on IGG. You can get them for $500. Deeper Connect Mini and Nano, $508. The Deeper Connect, decentralized private network, safeguards, privacy, protects all your IoT devices, 7-layer firewall, block ads, zero configuration, enterprise class, quad-core processor with 2 gigs memory, and no monthly fees. Interesting. I didn't even know they had a hardware right now. Yes. Interesting. We can't hear anything you're saying, but this is really awesome. Deeper network, man. I definitely did the deep dive for you. Let's take a look at the chart and what the chart's looking at for deeper. Deeper network. I know. I'm going to get a Coinbase Pro. It'll be a lot easier. CoinTraderPro.com. So we're going to take a look at CoinTrader Pro, and we're going to look at Deeper. The Deeper network. Now, what are your thoughts, guys, on a decentralized web? Can they pull it off? Siacoin was one of the first people to really push for that. Can they pull it off? Many of these charity coins will be scams. Yeah, for sure. Deep dive on Deeper network. I know, right? Timothy Smith was timed out. Why was he timed out? Trident token, save the fish. 2,500. Yikes. Loving the video. Could you check out Trident token? Oh, wow. We got the Trident team in here hard now. We went into it. Can you take a look at FTV, please? Love your video. Shout out to D2020. Okay, I got a super chat there. We're going to put that down. Best group of people to work with, and this is going to change the Trident token. Timothy Smith. All right. When I get a Domas, yeah. It's Hup Day. Yeah, instead of DAO, may check SP or VU, SP500, Crypto Dingo. Should do a donation for water wells. DPR is such a good company and a project. Yeah, they really are. Deeper, man. It's the best crypto trader and channel 100%. Mike Beard. Come on, Jeju Doge. Jeju Doge, is that cup and handle on the 1 hour? Hey, man. Let's take a look at Deeper Network now. So Deeper Network just continues to fall to the downside. But you know what? That's where you get into projects right here. When the bull starts to make a bull, man, you bowl it out. We taught you that. We learned this, guys. Remember, if you traded with me from September, October, November, we learned how to do this. We figured this out. We figured, you don't get scared. Price never keeps dropping. It forms a bull and it finds its way out of the bull, and then you break the all-time high. So it's a great time to get into Deeper, in my opinion. When the market's a little iffy, no one really knows what's going on. Good project, no one's talking about. You get Deeper Network on the super low and then ride it all the way to even to the all-time highs, 276% gains. So Deeper Network, man, easily can get up there. Nice time to dollar cost average into Deeper Network, in my opinion, right? Don't put your whole bowl in there. Don't just jump all in. I'm going to throw it all in, but you want a dollar cost average into Deeper Network, get it moving. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 222 people, 224 likes. Unbelievable, guys. Nothing I can say. There's nothing I can say. I can't even say it. I can't even say, can we get the likes of the watches? You already dang did it. It'll take time, but you use decentralized web browsing and distribution is inevitable. And all these are going to battle with each other. Everyone's going to have decentralized tons of different networks. Mention Deeper on Wednesday Patreon. Downside is others, you get to share your IP addresses so you can see theirs. Others get to share your IP addresses and you can see theirs. I don't believe that. That wouldn't make sense. That wouldn't make any sense to me. I don't see why they would start a Deeper Network and then make you give away your... For something in my mind tells me that doesn't make sense, Dingo. But I also trust your research, so then I'm kind of like stuck. All right. Let's take a look at AMC from my man Jesse B. Why do we have to look at something that's rocking though? Can't we look at something that's under the radar, right? I personally like, oh, let's look at a stock that's pumping hard. Yeah. You know? So AMC, no, this isn't it on Bittrex, which you probably could trade it on Bittrex. It's probably like the freaking New York Stock Exchange. I mean, when it pumped, I said to sell it off, right? And then I gave a call on this pennant, and look, it got stopped out. 7% loss right there. Look, heavy stop out. So let's see. Damn, they definitely crushed you guys. They went after the short. They went after everyone who tried to get into this pennant. But I said sell AMC up at 72. Wait for it to come back down to the Fibonacci retracement, right? So I said 618. It got to the 0.5. Not bad. Once you see it kind of negate that it's going to probably drop again, that's when you kind of make the 0.5 your pocket, 618, and then it pumped. Popped from 40 all the way back up to 64. Nice 50% gains for it. Now when you look at it, look, there's a bit of a shoulder, head, a bit of an inverted head and shoulders starting to form here, right? Now, it's overextended on the 1 hour. Probably going to come to the downside. So now you're going to look at your support and resistance regions. And it got rejected right there at previous price. You know, we had a candle close there. Got rejected right there at 62. So what now? What say you? Well, we're seeing the 4 hour has positional strength. So 1 hour might just go sideways. And then this is telling us that we're going to break to the upside. I'm going to clear out and I'm going to show you there's a bigger pattern to play here. It's actually right like this. This is the pattern. I see it now. And it's actually, I think it's breaking out of a double bottom. Look. I found the pattern. It took me a second. There it is right there. And it's breaking on out. See, it takes you a second to work a pattern. Like, I don't always see what I need to see at first. I got to work the pattern. I got to play with it. That's how you know. When you see me do stuff like that, that's how you know the experience comes into play. You're like, all right, this guy's insane, you know? And there's the pattern. There's the call. So I didn't see the pattern at first. I projected a smaller handle. So the call was to buy right there at the bottom of the pattern and ride this to the top. I think you can still get in now. Now what you're going to look for is support and resistance lines on these on retests. So look, we had an issue here, got rejected, came up, came back for the retest. When this comes back down and bounces, if you can get a bounce off 58, even this anywhere in this area to me is the call. So wait for the 50-minute to come down. That's going to reset this. Bang. That's going to be your bounce move right there. And then continue to the upside. I think you're going to get these gains. So the idea is if you bought in a box, so you buy in this box here, that's your buy box in my opinion, and you sell up here in this box, and it's your sell box. As you can see, if you learn with me how to trade cryptocurrency, you'll be able to trade anything in the markets. It does not matter. Can you give your take on Mina protocol? I will. I went over it. I'm going to do a huge video on it though in the next day. Looks like Honda Target is good. Looks like the Hundo Target is good. Yeah, 104. Yeah, 104 target. So get out at 99, 94. Thanks, Huggies. Aw, damn. Aw, shucksies. And you had to give me the Huggies. Oh, shucksies. Man, funny, man. Damn, we couldn't hold 230 people. We couldn't hold 200 watchers, though. Somehow we fell off from the 200. I always watch those watches. I'm like, damn, can we hold 100? It's like watching a Jedi Master. Crypto Chico had a few videos explaining what space tokens are. Aldo Traverso, it's becoming Bitfinex owns USDT. Market manipulation. Kappa Gamma ROHL XI. What the hell? Bitcoin shorts and Bitfinex. Did you saw the graph? Space coins, please. You earned more than one lava cake, and one lava cake is 6K. What is happening? You've earned more than one lava cake, and lava cake is 6K. What is happening? You've earned more than one lava cake? I don't think so. How could I have earned more than one lava cake? I just got started in that. AMC is rocking. It's VPN sharing. FTV. Okay, I'll go over FTV for sure. Let me see all. I'm trying to go back through the super chats. I'm not done yet. I'm going to go through the other super chats. I got to AMP. It took me an hour, but I got to it. Remember that? So look, we'll scroll through these super chats. We'll find them. Paul Berry asked if I could check out the Deeper Network. We took care of that. Paul always super chats a fat amount of money. He's never cheap with it, so Paul gets precedent because he's the man. I mean, it is what it is. We got to go over DOT for this super chat for $1.99. And I still appreciate. I don't care if you send me $1.99, dude. That's more than a like. And, you know, a like, I appreciate 100%. A comment, I appreciate 100%. I used to have to do this. I did this for 2 years without a super chat, right? So who am I, right? Let me humble down and just kind of reset my mind here. Thank you so much for even a 2-cent super chat at this point, right? But I do believe the knowledge I give you helps you make a lot of money, and you should pay for the value. So I could downplay and be appreciative of tiny bits of money, but I also think that you know the value that the world puts on things, and the value of this information is you can make money with it. More money than you paid for it. So it's kind of like, you know, I don't know. It's kind of like, hey, throw down the super chat. Hey. Look at Crypto Greg. He gives a super chat. He didn't even ask for nothing. $20. Like, that's insane, right? That's how much appreciation he has for the group, for the people, for me, man. And I got so much appreciation from him. Right back at you, Crypto Greg. Can you take a look at Mina Protocol, FTV? So that's the ones we looked at. We got to look at now. All right. And do we miss, what is this one? Yeah, FTV. Never heard of FTV. So I get excited. I get excited a little bit when I get to do a coin I've never heard of. FTV crypto coin. FTV Coin Deluxe, ICO ratings and details, Uber Bench, FTV Crypto Launch, ITV. The future is FTV. FTV Coin Deluxe, CoinWire. Interesting. Not a lot of information on this guy. Let's see it. Platform models, fashion and luxury lifestyle. Fashion TV, the international fashion and lifestyle broadcasting station, has reached over 1 billion. I'll be honest, this coin looks kind of shady to me. Right? It's on like a weird site that I've never been on called ICObench.com. I don't know. I could be wrong. I'm getting a weird vibe. Like, it's like, I don't know. But I could be wrong. I could be wrong. My first vibe is a little weird. Right? Like, I guarantee it's not on CoinGecko, but I could be wrong. But I have this feeling like seems like it's outside of the space. Like, it's someone who like doesn't even know how crypto really works and trying to push it on us. I don't know. I'm getting that feeling. I could be completely wrong. I'm sorry, but I'm getting an instinct, little intuition from it. The Gero Wallet at 24. We're going to talk about Gero Wallet. We're going to get into that too. This is a Cardano move, you know, Ethereum based, but I can't wait till this is a Cardano smart contract. Like, come on, man. $20 million market cap. This thing is a steal. Gero Wallet, it pumps super hard. Wow, it just pumped recently too from June 14th from 20 back up. I knew it was going to pump back up after they dumped the heck out of it, but I want to write down Gero Wallet on your whiteboards. I'm writing it down right now. Cardano ecosystem, really, and then we're going to encompass what that means. Sunday swap. So, you know, we're going to see ADA, and we're going to talk about Sunday. And then I'm also going to write down Gero, Gero, and then I'm also going to write down, I'm going to write down AGI, because AGI ADA, right? And more people are coming to that bridge, man. I'm telling you right now, put AGI on your radar. About to do some serious damage. Okay. And the Gero Wallet as well, right? Make sure you get yourself a whiteboard. Super important, because as the show moves, you're going to forget what's going down. It's almost impossible to keep up with the information. Guys, you look at Klekai, it's an easy 100. Crypto guys, you've been going hard on this Klekai every single day. Every single day. That was the wrong token. Well, then send a link in Futurov governance token. All right. Maybe you could have put that in when you sent it over. All right, here we go. On BSC scan now. Okay. Okay, a minute ago, 2 minutes ago. Seems like this could get into a bit of a pump. Okay, Futurov. Thank you for squaring that away for me. I appreciate it. FTV. A blockchain's first entertainment aggregator and producer of community-driven original motion picture in VR. Democratized streaming. HODL to vote. Watch to earn. Decentralized entertainment. Highly deflationary. Soft staking. Buy FTV DAO. Film and television. Honestly, this website is like, they just took a bunch of pictures from other places. They even have blurry videos on their website. Like, I don't know, man. Is this like Dirty Dance? Yeah, this is like, I don't know. I'm already a little like, fancy a chat. These guys got to step their game up. It is on CoinGecko already, though. Okay, future governance token. 240,000 in volume. I'd stay away from something like that. Yeah, that's not my cup of tea. The website is rehashed and stolen. Like, I don't know. To me, this is a piece of garbage. Like, complete piece of garbage. Get it on Google Play. Get app? What? VisualVR.com. Coming soon. FTV. Get it on Google Play? They already have an app right now? Future Off? Alright. Interesting. A user-owned entertainment DAO aggregator and multimedia NFT hub being built in a V/AR hold. FTV to vote. Okay, they have an app. They could have done better with the site. The site, like, they could have done way better with the site, in my opinion. Watch to earn, hodl to vote. I like it. I already had an idea. This is the same idea I have for my non-VO. Very similar market idea, like very similar structure. Originate content and productions. I like it. The site needs some work. I think they could have done way better with the site, in my opinion. But that's it. And that's the first thing you see when you come on in. You know what I'm saying? Like, want me to show you a really good site? Watch this. I'll show you a coin that really speaks to me. And that's like, you know what? Bam. I'm going to be doing a video on this coin. Eureka. $4 million market cap. This thing is a sweet spot. 26 cents. Put this on your radar, man. This thing is hot. Like, right off the bat, watch. Fine, they got a picture there, Eureka. But why Eureka? Patent pending technology. Security, peace of mind. Fast, effective, simple, economical. Like, this is a real community with a real idea. Partnerships, established creators, companies, and brands. Platform creators validate. I guess, you know, they're still kind of in the beginnings, too. Eureka could do a little better. But, they got featured artists already, right? BK the Artist, Vapor95. And I'm going to be using Eureka, too, man. I believe it's hot. And I like the platform. Sign up before 23rd to get your chance to be selected to one of the first validators for our public MVP. Helping creators, validators will be trained and certified by Eureka to help creators build a package of proof for their creative work. As a consultant to Eureka, by helping provide authorship, ownership, and originality, you'll be compensated with URQA tokens and be among the first to own them. Help us build the community in 7 days. So Eureka, man, put this on your radar, guys. I want you guys to understand Eureka, all right? Check Meme Coin. Meme Coin's been doing its thing, right? But we didn't buy it at like $200. So my point is just kind of, you know, $4.95, $11 million market cap. Yeah, not bad. I'm not a fan. I knew about Meme Coin so long ago. I love it. Don'tBuyMeme.com. That's the name of their site. That's pretty cool. Artists, communities, meme originals. Oh, that's a pretty cool Satoshi meme. I wonder who that guy is. He must be pissed everyone uses his name, his face. He's like, it's not even me, man. You guys think I look like Satoshi Nakamoto, but I'm not even Satoshi Nakamoto. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Much respect to you guys. All right. Please give your take on Lime when you can. Thanks. You can pour water on your head again? Yeah. What do you think about the space coins? Kappa, Gamma. Yeah, I don't know what space coins are. So you guys are we're going to put everyone on to space coins now. We're going to figure out what a freaking space coin is. Space coins. You think it would have done a... I need links to this. Actually, this slows the show down immediately, man. And I want to move around. You know, that's cool. Space coins, like actual coins in space. I mean, super chat. Your Trident shills. Yeah, it'll take time, but oh yes, decentralized web browsing. Yeah, pay for a shill, man. I'll shill you if you pay for it. For Christ's sakes, it's a give and take world out here, man. Don't just try to take over the channel, man. Do you look at Kleekai? This is an easy 100 to 1,000x. Like, you can check out Threefold Network. Paul Berry with another $25 super chat, man. Paul, man, you're out of control. Do you think the whole crypto domain thing will make a difference? It's basically an NFT, no? Trident token, ride the wave, ocean cleanup. I'm all set, man. I'm all set. Actually, the more you mention Trident, the more I'm never going to buy it for any reason. I don't care if it's 1,000x's. I'm never going to touch it. For space coins, Space Chain is the only one I'm hip to. What do you think about Engine and Matic? I love Engine and Matic. I think they're great projects. Substantial, good teams. You can't lose. What do you think of FEG? Feed Every Gorilla? I think Feed Every Gorilla is actually one of the first tokens that came out. It actually had a little more substantiability to it. Let's take a look at the Threefold Network and see what's going down. Already got a cool name right off the bat. The Threefold Network. Threefold. Welcome. Threefold.io. Here comes the voice, guys. Be the internet. Threefold is the engine for a planet positive and data sovereign internet. A collaborative movement of people who care about a better future. Yeah, guys, you don't even realize it, but you're always being subdued in some way, shape, or form by the powers that be. They let you find what you want on the internet. You know the dark web, which is a deep internet? Matic is one of the most important coins. Yeah, for sure. You know the dark web. Yeah, Venmori is an insane project with SpaceX and Geometrical Energy Corp. Gotcha. They're on .com on Web 3.0, not NFTs. The crypto revolution. Luis Francisco, what do you think of FAG? We like FAG, man. So threefold, be the internet, the engine for a planet positive and data sovereign internet. Yeah, this kind of made me think, because like they control your information, man. If they control the servers have to be independent and decentralized. You can't be told you can't look at something, you can't do something, right? Someone would say, okay, what about, that makes me think of something I don't want to think about, which is, I don't even want to bring it up. Maybe you guys are thinking about it, but what people use the internet for, which isn't good, I'm not going to talk about it, but, and, with kids, and my thing is now the internet gets decentralized, and now these guys can have their own, like a whole, I guess as long as I don't see it, but I just, something to think about. Let's see this.
Power hungry and cost billions to build. They are owned only by a handful of companies. Also, they are located almost exclusively in places with the best infrastructure. All while more than half of the global population still does not have access to the internet. As the infrastructure of the internet grew over the last 40 years, its architecture got overcomplicated and intransparent. While we, the users, have become products ourselves, our data and privacy no longer within our control. This is why we need a transparent and sustainable internet for everyone that can be owned by everyone, everywhere. This new internet runs on 3 nodes. Computers that can be deployed at home, in public places, and basically in any location with network and electricity. 3 nodes to...
Just so you guys know, when I become 50 years old, I'm going to be that guy. Talking with my voice. I'm going to become a known voiceover. I'm going to use my voice to make money. I've always wanted to do that.
Together with an autonomous data infrastructure, provide full security and transparency for the user. 3 nodes are already deployed in over 22 countries, making it the biggest network of decentralized capacity on the planet. Because it is so easy to deploy a 3-node, Threefold can bring the internet to where it is needed the most. Applications that run on Threefold are secure and protected all the way. Users reclaim ownership of their data, gain equal access, and true digital sovereignty. There are many ways to participate in the Threefold community now. Add capacity to the growing network by becoming a farmer. Stake our claim in this new digital landscape by using Threefold tokens. Join the next generation peer-to-peer ecosystem. Threefold, a new internet for everyone, by everyone, everywhere.
I mean, there's a lot of these guys competing. One's going to win. Are they going to kind of join forces? I'm interested. Be the internet. Why? Participate. Learn. Start farming. Get 3-node. Buy the token. Yeah, I want to get down. Ready to start farming? Pre-order. Order your Titan 3-node to begin your journey towards generating income by selling capacity. The 3-node sales will happen on first-come, first-serve basis. Pre-order today. That's not that expensive. 845 pounds, right? Pre-order, join the community. I like this, man. I like this. And I'd like to be one of the first people in. 32 gigs of RAM, 4 cores, 8-thread CPU. Plug, earn, knowledge, reward, capacity, width, height, depth. Universal home, start farming. I like this, man. Pre-order. Pre-orders are open now. Well, how can I pre-order? Yes and no. I guess they're not open now. I mean, sold out. The Titan 2 pre-order was sold out. Damn, look at that, man. So I'm going to do the Titan V2.1 pre-order. Optional silent fan. That's funny. Add to cart. Bam. Dude, I think I'm going to pre-order this threefold thing. I know I just found out about it, but something's... I get these intuitions, man. Threefold. And we don't even see it on CoinGecko yet. Let's see. Is it called threefold, right? Let's see. Let's get the music back on. You can't have flat music. You got to have the energy. You got to have the energy going at all times. This song is not my favorite, though. Not my favorite. Let's see if we can get something else moving here. Yeah, about the same. Subscriber from Sean Yang. Thank you very much, Sean. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for coming on in. Hope you're watching live, baby. Yeah. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. We got a bunch of news to go over. I'd look more before I click buy. No, I'm just messing with you guys. No, I'm not telling you emotion. I'm telling you this is going to be big. That threefold is going to be big. Campaign should just be your data, your money. F big tech. I love it. Lifer, check their partnerships. Yeah, no, we're not done with threefold. And also, Paul's smart dude. I'm telling you right now. Paul knows what's good. Decentralized internet, bring capacity to new locations, make data safe, empowering global community, join the threefold. Dude, look at 1. Harmony 1. Dude, look at that. That's scale. I know scale. Dash. Interesting. And Celsius? Isn't that Celsius? Casper Labs. Proof of stake. Oh, yeah. Casper Labs, man. Interesting. Scale? They're going to mess with scale? It's a big deal. Easy, fast, secure. I love scale. Scale is going to be a big deal, and people don't even know. New internet, cash grab. No one will win, brother. We already have the internet. What is there to win? Bring internet to Africa? Africa has internet. They all say sold out. Helium did the same shenanigans. Interesting. Honestly, the only two meme token investing in SafeMoon and FEG, but I'm very bullish in ICP and Mirror Protocol. Pre-search, too. That's not the music I'm into, man. It's just not. It's too EDM-y. Like, it's too much. This is alright. This is alright, but it's not. Hold on, I'm going to flip it back. I'm going to flip the music real quick. Bear with me. I have a bunch of coins I still want to go over. Stream's just moving a little slower than normal today, but I got some coins I want to go over. We already did a heavily Bitcoin. I want to look at Ethereum BTC. I want to look at the CTK trade that I got into, right? Why not get into CertiK? Because you know CertiK, right? So just something to think about. I look at them every day. I see what they're doing all the time. No reason why I wouldn't want to get down, right? So threefold. Now I want to see, can you find them on these, there it is, threefold token, TFT. 7 cents. We haven't had the market cap yet. Wow. No trading volume though? $2,000? Jesus. That worries me. I don't like low liquidity coins, so I'd be very, very sketched out by that. 8 cents. It went all the way back down to cents. Sitting at 8 cents. Interesting. Threefold token. And where can you buy it? Only on Uniswap, Liquid, BTC Alpha. Interesting. Not a lot of places. Now I'm not that much of a fan, right? It's like a little like, maybe it just got started though. 3,000 followers on Twitter. All right. Engine for the new internet. To me, it's such a big thing to try to recreate the internet decentralized. Like, it's such a big deal. But I mean, hey, you could earn coins while you're mining and get it done, right? AMP's starting to bounce back up there. You can see that green token going. And honestly, is it in another cup and handle? Like, it could be in this. I never realized it. It's funny that we left it, came back in. Is it going to make the secondary handle here? And break to the downside. And then eventually push to the upside and boom, 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 boom. AMP, USDT, right? So just something to project, an idea here. And come back down to the 0.5 and then break on out. Is it making another cup and handle? I've seen it many, many times, so I'm suggesting that it could be doing something that we normally see a lot, right? Space Chain is the only one I'm hip to for space coins. Check out Elon token. What do you think? Their vision is invest now because by December it's going to be $1. They burn 10% of all the tokens every month. I don't know, man. Louis Francisco, I appreciate you, Louis, man. But I get bogged down by these same tiny shit coins. I had to say it, and I don't like to swear. Sol and SRM getting listed on Kraken. That's a big deal. You had some dope house music the other day. Yeah. Put on some stones, paint it green. Marsh getting listed on KuCoin today. Oh, Marsh? Unmarshall? Is that Unmarshall? Let's take a look. Because I'm heavy. I got a lot of coins that are on the low, man. I think a lot of coins that I bought are going to do really big. Marsh. Yeah, I got Unmarshall. I own this coin. I got in. Let's see how it's doing. I got in at $4, so I'm down hard, right? $16 million market cap, though. It's getting on KuCoin tomorrow. Could spill a bit of pump for it, right? So, okay, Hadouken. Can you write all the coins that we should go over right now? Sending a, just let me know. And then we're going to do, this is the Hadouken, 10 minutes on Hadouken stuff. Gleam.io, the best growth platform. Crypto Lifer, check out Gleam for your giveaway contest and grow your channel. Gleam.io, the business growth platform. Market apps designed to help you grow your business. Cool, man. I'll look at that for sure. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. I think Anchor will be big deal once ETH really takes off with 2.0 and Web3 and become more relevant. Yeah, Marsh with ETH on Uniswap is brilliant. 10% of Infinity. Let's take a look. I want to make sure I didn't miss out on the super chat because I feel like I may have. So we checked out Threefold. Let's take a look at what Threefold looks like on the charts. If we can be so lucky. There it is, Threefold, man. Coin. Oh, ooh. Hello. I know what I see. I see a cup and handle. Guys, this is how it works. You do fundamental analysis, then you do technical analysis. You don't get into any trade until you've figured out your stuff, And I do it live in front of everybody, so I have to do it right. You guys keep me doing the thing, doing it right? Oversold, coming back up, pushing up with momentum on the daily. Take a look at that 4 hour. Dude, I'm liking this, So you either buy the breakout of this line or wait for it to come back and retest. So here's your two ideas for this coin. Hey, TA is TA. This thing looks ready to rock. Right? And they claim they're selling out the miners and all this nonsense, but, So could it come back down to here and then bounce on out? This is a possibility here. Do I have highlighter? Note. Anchored note. Flag mask. But I see the price coming down here and then breaking out or breaking out. Either way, so this is your buy or this is your buy or that's your buy. So you're looking for 3 places to buy. But I believe either way, you're going to rock out. This thing wants to blast. Remember, we went over this. They make 50% gains. We just talked about this. At least they make 40%. At least 40%. Sorry, I misspoke there. And so I don't want to put your exact buy zone in there, but I want to talk about this and kind of go over it so you guys can see the different areas. So this is a video call I'm going to have to make later on. The work never stops. The work never stops. I literally have a job that I can run 24 hours a day. I can run 25 hours a day. Threefold. I want to get a miner. I personally want to see a miner running. I don't care if the $800 turned to crap and it was all an experiment. I'm willing to spend $800 on an experiment. Let's do it. Let's see if it works. You learn something every time. That's not wasted money, in my opinion. You learn something every time you do stuff like that. Shout out to Paul Berry for the $25 super chats, doubling up, throwing his weight around, showing people what's good, man, and showing that he's not afraid to get busy on the super chat and getting that knowledge. And he appreciates me. I appreciate you, Paul, man. Thank you very, very much. Respect to you, man. You're the man, dude. I see you, man. I see you. If you hold Gamma, Gamma, Beta, or RHO, or any combination of them, then you hold the keys for anyone seeking to put their art ads into orbit. Interesting. Gamma, Gamma, Beta, or Space Chain. Dude, look at Dot. Bro, Dot is adding to Coinbase. Dot is going to pop hard. Oh, yeah, someone asked me to go over Dot earlier in the day. And look, AMP, too, still looks like it could be forming a cup and handle as well. So now you write cup and handles, right? And I write, AMP. So what's in a cup and handle? Because you want to know the cup and handles, they make the most money. Okay? So AMP is in a cup and handle right now. All right? and threefold. So then I have my cup and handle section here written down, and I fill out, I get 16 squares, and at any given moment, I should have 16 cup and handles that I'm ready to rock out on, right? And you could even get more organized with how you organize your whiteboard. It can be a fun game of how like you get really, really into like, okay, well, I'm tracking this, I'm tracking that. I'm telling you, man, it's going to make you such a good trader. You're going to be such a better trader with that whiteboard. It's going to change your game. You're not going to be like, oh, I missed that again. How did I miss that? You're not going to miss anything because you're going to have it on the whiteboard, man. And your wife's going to look at you and be like, wow, you're all organized with that whiteboard. She's going to love you. She's going to get attracted to you, getting all organized. Like, you're like, I'm going to change our life, baby. I'm going to buy us that house we always wanted, honey. And she's going to be like, wow, he's got the whiteboard out. Oh, my God. Like, he's serious. Like, come home from Staples with a plan. More life or send. Venuri, send him a super chat so he can deep dive. Send him a super chat for TA, specific coin, you ingrates. I love that. Felipe, you're the man. Vemori. Let's see what's going on here. Present on the exposed surfaces and live stream from the satellite to be placed in Leo on June 22nd. These pixels hue kappa. Luminosity gamma and x-axis beta and y-axis RHO. Locations are acquired in exchange for the aforementioned tokens. Lots of scams in this chat. Might as well check in on Tesla token. Hup is having a voice chat giving updates. Let's take a look at the Hup people, man. Hup Finance. And it brings me to Pornhub. Isn't that crazy? So weird, man. I type in Hup Finance. Hup. Hupax. Hup.life. What is this Hup, dude? Fully monetized. Yeah, this was it. This was Hup, right? Yeah. Hup market. Donate, burn to oblivion. We're setting the standard. Yeah. This was it. They should have a link to their Telegram immediately. Look at that. It should not be. Yeah, there it is. Join the Telegram. Sometimes I can't join a group because too many people put me in a gosh damn group.
Please, 1 second, please. Let me just get some critical information out. So, Rob, go into View Group and look at all the users, and anyone that has a contract address on their name, ban them. I'm actually going through and doing it now, so we can just we can save time doing it at the
no, I've been doing that, but yeah, I'll keep doing it here. Yeah.
Okay.
Donate to oblivion. We're setting the standard. Yeah, this was it. Hey guys.
Is there a Keith on the line?
Yo, man, I'm about to support you guys with 200 people live, man. Hold on. Someone get into that chat and let them know what Crypto Live is about to do. Hello? Sometimes I can't join a group because too many people put me in it. Can you guys hear me?
1 second.
Yeah.
Can you guys hear me?
Rob, go into View Group.
What up, Crypto Life?
What's going on, guys? Yo, I'm live right now on YouTube with 200 people watching. We've been waiting for the hub.
Contract address has just been launched on the.
Someone's got a headdress on, but anyway, I'm live right now on YouTube, and I wanted to put your chat.
Where?
Damn. Group. Trying to help these dudes.
Oh crap.
You guys are live right now on YouTube. I'm trying to show you something. Like, I'm trying to help your project out huge. Take advantage of the situation. This will get 1,000 views later on today.
That was my timer.
Yo, you guys are missing an opportunity I'm trying to give you right now. They're killing me.
From the announcement group.
Yeah, that was me. I had it scheduled there, that the advanced scheduling thing.
Yo, why are you muting me, man?
So that's the correct one, right? That's the correct.
I
was unable to copy it. Are you still going to paste it there, or you're pasting it here? Which of the two first?
Damn, man. I'm trying to get some information for all of us. Bro. Bro. You're live right now on YouTube, man. You don't even know it. This guy's funny. Like, I'm putting these projects live.
You need to copy.
Hi, Dylan address, bro.
Someone go in that chat and tell them not to play games, man. This guy's the worst, man. It made me not want to be part of the.
Yeah, there's a scam group with 1,130 members. I'm gonna post this in the group.
There's a scam group, everybody. Be careful.
Just a screenshot here.
Merles is on the Hub chat. Merles, let them know, man. Let them know what's good, man. I'm trying to put them live right now, and they're not getting it. Anyway, I have to pause it for now. Anyway. Damn, man. The Hub group, man. Come on, Hubbies. Yeah, we'll try something else. Maybe they say something crazy, all Project Veritas, right? Over it, dude. Mention Def Arm instead. They don't realize the power of the lifer. I know. Your predictions for Dot. Let's take a look at Dot, Polkadot. I thought we could get like a quick little update into what they're doing, speak to an admin, put them on the spot. I love doing that. I think it's fun. But like, yo, show us what you're doing. Stop BSing. So Dot at resistance can't break through that resistance. You can see, and until it can break through that resistance, she's going nowhere. Sideways, right? So highly likely, and then you want to look at Stokes in the 4 hour, right? Are they high? Yeah, they are. So it's highly likely Dot comes back down to the bottom of the pattern, right? Highly likely Dot comes back into this pocket. And this is where you want to buy Dot. So now this is my idea. This is how I project. I project trades, you know, and bam. And so Dot would break out. And it's good that Bitcoin broke out of its bull pennant. It is a bull pennant, though. Remember that. 68% chance of a break to the downside. Just want to, like, you know, put that on your radar. But look, we came up. We could come back to the downside right there. That's my buy zone. So whenever I'm going for a buy, it's like that. What do you mean it's like that? I mean, it's like that. Bam. There's my sweet spot right there. Buy zone. All right. So that's where you're honing in. You're honing in for the retracement to that area. The buy zone for Dot, Polkadot, right? And that would be an exceptional move for Polkadot. Get in at 21 and then ride it, right? Previous all-time high back to 40, 49. And then I see it getting all the way to 53. And that'd be 100% gains from the entry, right? Once you get in, you could throw a stop down here. Like previous low, like right there. 22%, maybe a little lower. Yeah, so you got to risk about 22% to gain 128%. 6-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Not too bad, right? And we zoom in on this, make it as big as we can. Get some more landscape there. There we go. So there's a Polkadot idea and a prediction. And watch my Polkadot video. I believe it's going to go to $400. I love Polkadot. I love me some Polkadot. Yeah. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Yeah, look out for some more video calls coming out in the next couple of hours. Predictions for Dot in the next 24 hours. People fiending in my room, man. In the next 24 hours? Like, come on, man. This voice, the voice chat is like a minute slow. Yeah, right? Hey, Lifer, you got to check the Lava Cake rewards, man. I'm going crazy. I can't focus on work. Are you sure you're in the right group? They look lost. They missed out big time. A little late today. House is ready. Just cleaning and finishing touches. Oh, that's awesome. But when are you going to leave, man? My parents are here right now, but when they come back to the vineyard, I'm going to go back with them. And we'll do some sailing. We'll do some like daily live streams out on the Martha's Vineyard, man. I stay up all night foaming into crypto last night. Taylor Hughes, man. You're crazy, bro. Get some sleep. Lifer, use your Scottish accent, please. A Scottish accent. A Scottish is a little harder. I can't do a Scottish accent. I can do the Irish and I can do the English, but Scottish, I can't do the Scottish. July 1st, I'm gone. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy, man. Where are you gonna go? Is that a silver Cuban link you're wearing? Looks fresh to death. It's actually a platinum gold silver Cuban link, 10 millimeter, like $8,000. Show rewards on lava cake, Lifer. Lava cake is hot. Oh yeah, I've been doing the lava cake farm, right? I didn't even check my lava cake farm. Let me take a look at it. Oh, I put that BNB LP in there. Ooh. It was $1,000. I never realized it might actually be doing something. Lava cake, baby. Oh, this is my jam. I don't even want it to see the character amount. Right? Someone pointed that one day. It was like, you don't even show the character amount. LOL, the best. Like my eyes are lying. Nah, it's gonna rock, man. This thing is going. Let's see. The staking pools. I'm in the farm right now. I had the cake BNB LP running right there. Lava earned 2 point. I mean, how is lava $200 and I've earned 2.6 lava though? How is that possible, bro? Is that really possible? Like, can I sell that for $18,000 right now? No. How much is lava worth? Like, this doesn't make sense to me, bro. Are you kidding me? They say 1 p.m. I checked .ain't SD coin. Stop trying to time the market. TA with Lifer and community on that Patreon. Yeah. Last I checked .ain't and S coin. I know. Boston for a week, then Nova Scotia for 2 weeks, then renting an RV out west. Be out there all August. Yo, it's gonna be blast. You're gonna have a blast, bro. All right, man. So you'll be in Boston too while I'm here. So maybe we can kick it in the bean for the, you know. And then Nova. Yo, I've spent a lot of time in Nova Scotia, man. That'd be dope, man. I've been up to Halifax. I love Nova Scotia. You have 17K. Are you kidding me? No way. No way. Hold on. Oh, but it's staked for 3 days. Like this, the price is gonna crash by the time we get it, man. The price is gonna crash. There's no way. Like right now we're sitting on 18,000. No, I have 9,000 times 2.64. I don't believe it, man. I don't believe the price is gonna crash by the time we get our monies out. Like there's no way. Like it's just too good to be true, bro. There's no way I made 20 grand last night on Lava Cake LP. Like, come on, are you kidding me? For sure, man. Still looks ready to pump, yo. Like, this is crazy. They say the coin is a $9,000 coin. Lava Cake Finance. Life, I'm VA and broke, trying to get like you. Shout out to Niven Ting. Honestly, you'll get there, man. I was broke too, man. For a long time, I was broke as a joke. I worked the night shift and like I had nothing, man. Like, you know, so I was in debt. I owed money on credit cards. Everything you think about, man. How much you want to invest in the next meeting? There you go, man. Didn't mean to write contract. It's all good. Can you withdraw it with fee or is it locked for 30 days? No, I don't think you can withdraw that, man. You can withdraw the LP, but look, I can't harvest right now. The harvest button, unless, hold on. I mean, 2.6 times 9,000. Like, they're trying, you know, this is stupid, bro. Like, trying to tell me I have 23K? Yeah, I have 23K right there in lava. Yo. Who knows what's going to happen here, man? This is crazy. The Cake BNB LP just ripping. Yo, I'm just like, I'm making 995,000%. Like, it's like, how is that possible, bro? Like, how are you making You're so silly, man. This is like, these yields make me laugh my head off, man. They're just so interesting, right? This is my jam. T-minus 20 minutes in HUP says 1 p.m. Keep grinding. I need to focus. I sold all my cake and swapped for Matic. Good decision? No. Probably the worst thing you ever did. I don't know. Maybe. It depends. You know, you made your decision, man. Now you're gonna see whether it was good or not. At least you made a move. Congratulations for making a move. Might go to 20K that lava, LOL. Harvest lockup. So I want my staked only. There you go. And then you'll see exactly what you're in. Oh, yeah. So your harvest is locked. Yo, the people going to run. There's going to be a massive sell-off for this in 3 days. Dude, I am going to set my alarm. I hope it's at like 2 in the morning. I am going to wake up and unload all my lava as fast as possible. Even if it tanks down to $1,000, like, are we really going to get $3,000 out of this? Like, this seems just too good to be true, man. There's got to be a rug pull going on. I don't know what's going on. I'm happy I had the LP waiting, and I'm happy you guys put it on my radar, man. Shout out to you guys. Thank you very much. All my lifers, man. 12:43. We're going to 1 p.m., man. I got to get out of here. I might even have a tutoring session right now. Who knows? I get so caught up into the live, man. Damn, keep grinding, Niven. Yeah, you'll get there, man. This is my jam. Word. You have to be the first one to sell. I know, bro. So you got a fresh cut, brother. Shout out to High Truth, man. Thank you very much, man. Can you withdraw it with fee, or is it locked for 3 days? It's locked up, man. You can't get your hands on that. Can you look at Carmel Swap Finance? I can't tell if it's legit or a rug pull. I would usually tell. Carmel Swap's been out for a while. I don't think it's a rug pull. It's been out for a long time. I've known about Carmel, I believe. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I saw Carmel Swap like a month ago. Let's take a look at Carmel Swap .finance. They're technically all a way to just steal your BNB, in my opinion. Carmel Swap Finance, sitting at 15 cents. I would have sworn I saw this. Yeah, it's just another one of those aggregators. Wow, it's got 5 million in TVL locked, and it's only worth 15 cents. Not bad. Let's take a look at the farms. Right, 325% for the Carmel BNB, Carmel Cake, DAI. You know, guys, they make a fake coin, Carmel. I mean, all these are the same thing. I don't think they're I honestly don't condone them, and I don't think they're amazing. I use them to make money if I can figure it out. If I get in early, I can use them to make money. After that, it's a wrap. I like the little light they put right there. I like that. Kind of changed the game a little bit. HUP also has a scam telegram. Get the address from a good place if you dare. Yeah, he just said HUP has the wrong telegram, right? Definitely. So this is Carmel Swap. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, I don't want you jumping into all these. If you don't know what it is, please take your time. You know, learn how to trade first. Get with my group. Learn technical analysis before you start aping into all these crazy coins, because it's just not what I'm about. I'm about showing you how to create wealth from the ground up. Now, every once in a while, there's a key place to make some money, and so there's the AMC trade, man. On your radar, let's see how it rocks out. AMC, man. AMC on the stock market. Okay, let's look at CTK. Right? I mean, that was a trade I took on personally. Let's see how she did. 133, right? She went as high as 146. Would have been nice. Take the gains. Came back down to 133. But now she's holding a good level. There's really no reason to get out of the trade yet, per se. So we're going to rock this trade out. Let it do its thing. It's got high on the 4 hour, though. Double bottomed up there. Let's see how the 1 hour, 1 hour is about to get oversold. So I'm going to ride this one more time up. So I'm going to let the 1 hour ride one more time up. It looks like we're going to kind of do this, and then ride right up one more time. Probably hit that resistance one more time, 146, and break above it. But this is a cup and handle, guys. CTK, put it on your radar. I believe this is Certic, right? I mean, this is the company that's always doing all the audits, in my opinion. Let me make sure I'm right about that. I don't want to misspeak. Yeah, Certic. I mean, so why wouldn't Certic keep going up? You see the name every 5 seconds. Every single coin. Certic audit, Certic audit, Certic audit, Certic audit. And it was down here at 125, went all the way boomed up to 133. I gave you the call already. If you took the call, congratulations. Congratulations. It was something that I thought looked pretty nice. 121 was my entry right there. We went all the way to 146. Let's see the gains had you sold somewhat of the top. 17%, not too bad. Not too bad. That's why I was sketchy about Mel, because there's Telegram seem full of amateurs, but the interface is smooth. I'm not having any success transfer BNB from Binance chain wallet into MetaMask. Gonna miss Hup launch. I'm gonna be very sad if it moons. Aliyah. So take a look. Nice shirt, bro. Looking sharp. Thank you, Von Deer, man. Respect to you, man. Appreciate that. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Nah, I gotta start working out again. I don't have any guns. I just have natural guns. I'm naturally gunned up. But once I start hitting the waist, I blow up like a frickin' Schwarzenegger. Check out Wex and Wex Poly. Yeah, we looked at Wex a little bit. I know about Wex. I appreciate you, SSP. Oh, SSP, it's been a while, man. It's been a while. I haven't seen you on the live in a long time. Funny. See, you got that fresh cut, brother. I'm crying. Mike Miller, man. Mike Miller, we need some tears for all your wins, for all your lava gains. Insane, right? Well, we'll see what happens, man. I didn't even know about it. You were staring at it. You said you couldn't even work. I didn't even care about it. I didn't even know about it. I was like, oh yeah, I put some stuff over there. Oh well, let's see what happens, right? It's funny, man. You're sitting there like freaking out. I'm like, some money. Dude, money, once you lose your life, money really isn't, it is what it is. Here's another trade I got for you guys cooking. This is a bake trade, still open, completely open. No reason to close the trade right now. I believe it's going to break on out here and do its thing. So watch bake. Daily check. Yeah, when only adult leaves the chat, they all start talking about cars and Lambos. Then about creating a new contract 10 minutes before launch, so bots don't pounce on it. Yeah, a bunch of Mike Jordan, the best predictor for a coin success is to see if I'm on it. If I'm in, it's a rug. If not, it moons. Aliyah. That's mad funny. Yo, I have yet to be rug pulled. I've never been. I shouldn't say it. Don't say never, but I have not been rug pulled yet. I've seen projects go to zero that I put my money in. Yeah, it happens, but I've never been rug pulled per se. Right? So, you just got to keep moving, man. You got to believe in yourself. And you got to have some wherewithal. And you can't just do whatever you want, right? You got to kind of slow it down. And all right, let's take a look at the news. We got some big news here. We're going to type in Michael Saylor. I'm just going to live stream until we get 10,000 subs. That's what I said. I'm going to live stream till 7 o'clock tonight. I'm just going to stay online until we get 10,000. I'm going to stream till 10,000. That's it. That's it. Do you expect the price of Bitcoin to appreciate more than 6.1% annually over the next 7 years? Of course. 90% people say yes. It's better to have a Bitcoin and not need it than need a Bitcoin and not have it. Yo, perfect. Yo. This man is the man, yo. It's better to have a Bitcoin and not need it than need a Bitcoin and not have it, yo. He's dead right. Yo, that's the greatest thing I've ever. I'm going to put that. That's going to be on I want that on the cover of my dude. I want to retype that out on my banner. I think I got rugged on MILF. I put $500 and turned into $500. Dude, it's better to have Bitcoin and not need it than need a Bitcoin and not have it, dude. Like, yo, he's spot on, dude. MicroStrategy launches at the market securities offering for flexible ability to sell up to 1 billion of its Class A common stock over time. Yo, they're going to convert all their stock back to Bitcoin. He's going to make another $1 billion buy for Bitcoin, bro. He's going to become the first quadrillionaire in the world. I'm telling you right now, he will become the richest man in the world. I'm telling you right now, I'm telling you guys, I'm getting goosebumps. Michael Saylor will become the richest man in the world. Hands down. I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now. Michael Saylor will become the richest man in the world. Put on a t-shirt. Put it on a t-shirt. Yeah, I thought you told me to put on a t-shirt. I was like, wow, Sue wants me to have some class. You don't like the chest hair. I'm just messing with you, Sue. Rug pulled from a MILF, right? Yeah, crypto, right, at least rug pulled from a MILF. He just made a $500 million purchase. Yo, the dollar will be the reserve currency of the world, and it'll move on Bitcoin rails, Michael Saylor says on CDTV. Watch the full interview, Coindesk.com.
I think the U.S. dollar is going to spread to 5 billion people. I think that this decade is going to see the explosion of the US dollar as the reserve currency of the world. It'll be the digital currency that'll be on every iPhone and every Android phone in every country in Africa and Asia and South America. And it'll move on Bitcoin rails. The Bitcoin Open Monetary Protocol is what allows the US dollar to spread to billions of people. In an inflationary environment, money breaks down into two forms. There's a medium of exchange, we'll call it the currency, and that'll be controlled by governments, and the US currency is going to be the most powerful one. And then you need a store of value, and that's an asset, and Bitcoin is the most powerful store of value on earth. I think the US dollar is going to spread to 5 billion people. I think that this decade is going to...
Bam. We could loop that all day long. We could loop that all day long. He probably already accumulated during the past month. He'll be the first trillionaire. He will. No, quadrillionaire, bro. Quadrillionaire. Forget trillionaire. He's going to be a quadrillionaire. Mark my words. Quadrillionaire. He's gonna hop over trillionaires. Maybe. Or he's going to be the first 100 trillionaire. Like, he's going to be worth like a half a quadrillion. A quarter of a quadrillion. He'll be the first person worth a quarter of a quadrillion dollars. Michael Saylor. Cup and handle on hard. Binance. Thank you very much. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, I want you guys searching for me, man. Why do you even need the dollar anymore when we have USD, USD, I know, right? He probably already accumulated during the past month. He probably did. Axoloth exploit. I don't know what that means, but okay. Axoloth exploit. All right, everyone, it got exploited. You know. Get it. Stream to 10K. Keep up the great work, my man. Shout out to Strauss. Yeah, we're going to get there, man. We're so close. Yo, it's like they're making it hard the last few days. It's really weird. I can like feel the pull on me. Right? Let's take a look at hard. What you say is in a cup and handle on the 1 hour. It did form a cup and handle. Yeah, you're right. There's two cup and handles forming. You're right. Very good eye. Now, it's in a big cup and handle and it's in a small cup and handle. Okay? Hard starting to make its way back up. Let's look at hard. All right. You go to like a big time frame, 3-day, weekly, whatever you need. Now, you can pull a fib on this, but look, and how crazy is this, guys? Don't second guess these patterns. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Told you to get the hell out. It told you to bounce from this chart. This chart said, I am in a shoulder, head, and shoulder. I'm going to break to the downside. What is the measured move? Well, it's the head to this middle point and then swing that there. And we didn't hit it all the way. We got pretty close. But that's kind of an ending point. And then we got the shove up. Now, hard was just 56. It went all the way up to $1.56. So this thing just did a 300. Is that really a 3x? 161%? 54 cents all the way to 155. Oh, hold up. Why is it saying 161? I'm almost 60. 60 would be 120, and then, all right. Yeah, I get it. But it's almost a triple up in my opinion. I mean, 50 cents to 150. Like, let's get real, right? But anyway, huge gain from hard. The hard coin. It was a hard road, but I took it, you know? So let's see what's going on. It came all the way, it pumped from 42 all the way to 246. It did a 6x, and then it tanked, right? It formed the falling wedge on the 3-day. And it's still extended now on the 3-day. It's kind of like, see, the last time it got this high on the 3-day, it had a huge pump. Now it's kind of getting extended on the 3-day, but hey, it has momentum. It's got momentum. So, bigger time frame. You can pull the length of this, and that's going to be your target. Hopefully it breaks all-time highs. And you can always sell right on that wick, you know? $151% gain still coming for hard. So now you want to find support and resistance. So you can find out where to park your next entry in. Just making my support and resistance lines nice and neat. We have the MACD about to have a cross, which the momentum is about to turn for you right there on the 3-day. Helium sells hotspot miners. A cash network has the decentralized internet system you can buy and then pay you in the coin and have it on the network. Hollow has a mine that does the same. I know. Have you heard of Divi yet? No. An ascending triangle with stocks, looking good. Yeah. Passive income, Helium, Akash Network, Deeper Connect Network, Hollow. All of them, man. VeChain looking good, 200 MA crossed. Okay, Deeper Contact has a VPN miner you can use, and they pay you. Yeah, we went over today. We actually showed it. Funny. You must have missed that part of the stream. But it's coincidence that you're talking about it, because we haven't talked about it in a while, and now you're talking about it. Or maybe you saw that part of the stream, and then you jumped on in later on. That's a possibility. So a bit of a half a cup and handle. Almost a cup and handle, though, because the price goes all the way up there. See, look at that. So that's a cup and handle, too, which should be breaking up to the upside in an immense way. Okay, yeah, I can win later. Deeper I came in later, yeah. I like Divi and Synovate. Oh, interesting. Synovate. Okay. I looked at Synovate one day. I remember that one now. Let me write that down. Divi and Synovate. And look, then my cup and handle box, this gets added into my cup and handle box hard. And that's how we use this whiteboard, man. It's super important to use the whiteboard. BNB looking great. We'll take a look at BNB for sure. Like, it's so hard, man. On the 3-day. Ready to rock out. Right? So, I see this breaking on out. Now, I'm going to go to a smaller time frame to find my place. And it's funny because that's a little bit of a tiny cup and handle forming right there. Cup, and then it's making a handle. We're also about to get a cross in the 21, crossing the 200. That's a good sign. We are coming down on the 4 hour. I want that 4 hour to reset. I'm not going to touch it till the 4 hour resets. We're good on that 1 hour, though. Ready to rock. I mean, entry on the 1 hour is golden. Because even if we come back down, and then the 4 hour kicks in, you know. But we could just see a bigger fallout. Let's see. Like, drop. You know, the 1 hour might do its thing in here, and then we still drop to the downside. I'd wait for this 1 hour for this 4 hour to reset down here. So what you can do is I put a line right here. I actually hit Alt H. I right click this line. I hit add an alert. And literally when the stochastics hit it, I'm going to get an alert. Have you looked at lower end GPS tracking on Helium? It's going to be huge. Big business. No more cellular subscriptions for vehicle tracking, etc. What are your thoughts on long-term cake staking? 5 years says it's a good move, or is it better to skim every couple of months? I was the long-term guy that kept it moving. What's the contract, man? Give me the contract. Don't make me look for it. Don't piecemeal me stuff, guys. I love you guys, but like, give me the contract address to HUP. Someone should be DMing me all the HUP information right now, ready to rock, so I can give it to everybody. Someone should be DMing me like, yo, this is HUP, this is this is that. Bam, you know. The smart contract now live. Please do not purchase using another smart contract. Excellent. HUP. All right. We're going to copy the selected text. And it's on. All right. Smart contract for HUP is live. So I don't like to waste time. You guys noticed that, right? Don't want to waste no time. I think HUP is on ETH, though, isn't it? We're going to find out right now. I gotta switch to the Binance. Okay. All right. Excellent. They're saying you better. I hope that's the right contract, man. I just took this from Ja Soleil, bro. Ja Soleil. I hope it's the right contract you just gave me. All right, so I'm gonna throw. What am I gonna throw in there? 1 BNB, 2 BNB. I mean, it's like, right, with BNB. 2 BNB into hub, right? Let it rock out. Turn it into 4 BNB, call it a day. Insufficient succeed due to an error transaction. Okay. Sometimes I turn this to a 1, something like that. That usually helps me out. Unexpected. All right. 1% slippage. Last one, they tell the team to hold on. Is that it right there? Did I get the right one? Nah, there's no results found for that one, bro. Be careful. I don't think that's the right one. I'm being honest. I got B4D. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's the one I just used. B4D, yeah. Meaning not to sell. I'm just having a problem getting the swing, right? Lifer is a just cause. Shout out to Jamie Burns, man. Thank you very much. Latest one on the team to hold you. I do what I can for anyone I can, man. That's just really like what it is. There's no Certic. Don't worry, man. I don't stress the Certic, man. I really don't. Like, it's nice to have, but it is what it is. Like, and there, 2 BNB. If I lose 2 BNB, so be it. I'm all right. I'll make it through. All right, and then we got the hub, baby. And we got the hub. Even though I paid no attention to it till the last minute. You guys are the best. Love you guys. Get me through these hard times. The hard times, bro. The hard times. Anyway, as we look at hard. But, dude, this is another thing I want to put on your radar. Cup and cups. A cup of a cup and a cup and a cup of cuppa. Cup of cups. What do you mean? What is a cup of cup? A cup of cup. I want a cup and a cup. Look, there's a cup here and another cup. When you have 2 cups, you just buy the break out of this level. That's pretty clear to me. You buy the break out of this level, gone. Gone. Right? In a giant cup and handle, though, honestly, gonna do damage. 51% gains coming. All right? Hard. You heard it here first from Hard. Hard. Cup and handle. You know? I'll do a video call for it later. I'll put it out on just so people understand what's going down. Hard protocol. I'm gonna stream until I hit 10,000 subs. That's it. I'm here all day. I'll be here all day long. I'm gonna cancel all my tutoring. What you saying? Freaking gone, bro? What do you mean? Freaking gone, bro. In my Boston accent. Latest one-on-one, and they'll team to hold on. Latest one, and they'll tell the team to hold on. Crypto Life are on here all day long, boys. 10,000 subs. I'm not leaving. Nah, I'm just messing with you guys. I'm messing with you guys. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Much respect to you guys. And honestly, whoever's not, people are like, oh, well, it might be worse, it might be better. You never know. There's always another call coming out, man. BTC pump, baby. And we can get back to Bitcoin. I gave you a call for Bitcoin at the beginning of the chat. Did it? Let's see if it played out. Let's see if it played out. 40,003.9, and Bitcoin's starting to pump a little bit. So let's take a look. It's making a beautiful flag right there. Look at that. It's making a bull pennant. Look at it on the 1 hour. Look at that, guys. And, this is the trade I'm suggesting. You just ride this pennant. Stop loss right there, right? So I gave you a trade at the beginning. My Patreon's got it. We need to have a live where you just throw out our accents hot and just shoot this shit with crypto. It'll be like 2 Boston guys talk about crypto. Let's do it. Let's do it. You want to do it today? I'm trying to get to 10,000 subs, so I'm trying to send so much content into the idea, into the algorithm. I'm just be like, yo, pump, like just keep coming at it. Like don't stop, won't stop. All right, I got to run. I got to look at my actual schedule. I might have tutoring right now, and I'm like, Let's see what's going on. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much. I have tutoring at 7 and at 9. Damn, yo. That's crazy. It is what it is, man. That's good, though. I had to block off most of the day so I could edit some videos. 2 Boston guys talk crypto. People would love that. I think they would come on and watch it. Ethereum 10,000 on the horizon. Ethereum price. It's very possible. Very possible. Mining banned in China. Impact on Bitcoin. That would be the best thing that ever happened for Bitcoin. So far, so good. You just got to watch this. If you're new, go to the 1 hour and watch this pennant. That's it. If you don't know how to trade, that's all you're watching is this. And honestly, I actually see the real, look at it. It's like this. That's why you want to get good at your pennants, man. I mean, this is running out of room. That's clearly running out of room. Like, and it's oversold on the 1 hour. It's about to fly. Here's your call. Bitcoin. Running out of room. You're going to enter the trade. Again, don't do anything I tell you to do on this channel, but I would enter the trade right now. I wouldn't play games. Even if it comes back to the bottom of the channel, who cares? I mean, that's the difference between 398 and 4. It's like $400. Bam. Stop loss at 2%, and you can gain 5. I mean, that's beautiful pump. And actually, there's a bigger, in my opinion, it's going to take the length of this pole to the upside. You see, last night, my wife's trying to bring me to dinner. I'm going over charts. And she's like, you need to cook dinner for your mother and father. I'm like, I know. I just got to finish this chart, though. She came down like 5 times finally. She was like, all right, like, no one's just going to eat dinner then. Like, you're just going to post charts to your followers. And I said, babe, these people pay $99 a month. Like, and she's like, yeah, but your family's starving. Some days I'm just in the charts for so long. Like, and people are just like, all right, like, Sam's going to be in the charts for another 10 hours again. Hey, man, it changed my life. Like, if you change your life, wouldn't you spend a lot of time on it too? You know what I'm saying? DiviProject.org, DiviUSD, your thoughts. It repeats. It looks like it's on its way down. Patent Tech. Own their fintech. Small MC Cali team. We just need to super chat you pizza for fam. I wish you guys could send a drone with the pizza in it. Cook your fam some dinner, bro. Yeah, cook them some dinner. No, we had lamb last night. You know, like the lamb. I had the leg of lamb, rack of lamb, and I'm really good at cooking the lack of lamb. And it was just. I think I'm gonna have some. My wife makes her famous chicken pot pie tonight. She's gonna make her famous chicken pot pie, dude. It's gonna be awesome. Whenever I go places, people think I'm a celebrity when I wear glasses inside. They're like, yo, look at that guy. Like, he's somebody, but we don't know who he is. I'm just messing with you guys today. Papa Life is still there. Yeah, he's here. He's here. He went for a ride with my mom. They went somewhere. I'll bring him in. He's a big, burly iron worker. He's a big dude, like 6'1", like 100 and maybe even 6'2" in his prime. 100, you know, he was a 220-pound iron worker, bro. If you need to look at a clock when at work, take the time to look for a new job. Yo, it's funny you said that. I used to stare at the clock all day long at work. That's all I did. It was just constant. Like, I had to know what was going on. Congrats on the 10K in advance, Life. It just seems like yesterday you were 3K. Aldre Fonsenska. Jimmy, what up, dude? Yeah, no, my dad's here. Him and my mom went on a ride, though. They'll be back later. It's cool to have my parents here. It's really interesting. Like, they come and stay, and it's like they lived here for so long, but now I took over the house, so it's like they're staying in my house now. It just, I'm like, yo, I'm like, Dad, can you take your shoes off, man, please? Like, you're in my house. Like, I mess with my mom all the time. I'm like, Mom, can you, it's my house. It's my house, Mom. She gives me this look. Just funny. I lived in New York for 20 years. I moved back to my hometown, and I moved back into the house I grew up in. It's an old American story, isn't it? It's an old tale. 6'5" and 220 pounds. LOL. Wow. You fit right in here. You'd fit right in here in LA, man. I just want to be in Hermosa Beach, man. Let's take a look at Sheena Linton talking about DiviProject.org. Divi.org. It looks like I forgot a bit of a zero there. a bit of an ew. I was also late today. I started 9:30. I started super late because my wife's like, oh, when you finish working out today, you can go to the supermarket for me, right? And I'm like, what about my live stream? She's like, oh, well, you know, I need those things. And I'm like, all right. So I'm sitting there running around the supermarket this morning before my live stream. Divi, crypto made easy. Our mission is to accelerate the adoption of digital currencies. We're building the financial solution of the future for everyone. We make crypto easy. Your complete financial ecosystem. We're consolidating financial services and delivering one frictionless package. As one of the only projects that own a fintech, we're uniquely positioned to make this a reality. Industry-leading user experience. Crypto doesn't need to be confusing. Our apps align with your life, not the way around. We push the blockchain to the background, leaving you with a familiar, intuitive experience. We're creating the next generation of crypto products. I mean, thank God. Crypto-powered financial solutions. Divi Wallet. I mean, already off the bat, their website is knock out the park. Like, let's go, like when I'm looking at that FTV or that, you know, Be the Internet, look at this, threefold two. Internet's off. Like, this is hot stuff. Now, you go to that other guy, he wanted me to look at FTV, and you look at FTV, and you're just like, no. Like, I can't even find it, but you're just like, no. Like, it's ridiculous. This is a real website. Like, this is a real site. Like, you can just tell off the bat, man. They're doing them. They're not going soft on anything. Learn more. We're reinventing finance, banking for everyone, a truly global currency, low-cost payments no matter where you are, a blockchain powered. And they keep using this D. It looks a lot like the Dash coin. I mean, they could have come up with something a little more unique than that. It looks just like Dash's logo. I mean, come on, bro. Why Divi? Easy, rewarding, decentralized, accessible, secure, and innovative. All the words I would use if I was making a website. I'm just making crypto easy, Divi everywhere, Divi payments. I like this, man. This is hot. I'm with you 110%. Now, I'm still in Unmarshall. I still own that coin, just to let you guys know. Divi. Let's take a look at Divi. Wow, it's only 4 pennies, and it's only $160 million market cap with all that going on for it. Yeah, and it's number 282 in the game. 137. Not a lot of volume today, though. That worries me. I don't like 137,000 in volume. That's a bit sketchy. That's not enough volume, in my opinion, you know? Where do you find this puppy? KuCoin. All right, let's take a look at the chart. Divi. Thank you so much for the super chat. Much respect to you. So there's the call for Bitcoin right there. Make 14%, risk 3%. That's a nice 4-to-1 risk-reward ratio. It is what it is, baby. It is what it is. Right? You just keep trading. You just keep trading. You don't look back on the last trade. You look on the next trade. You look for the next move, man, and you keep it moving. There's nothing else in this life but crypto. Okay. Crypto is life. Crypto is life. Crypto is life. Crypto is life. And look at the Certic trade. I gave you guys this trade last night, and I said I was like, guys, like, I put 5 racks in here, took 450 off the table. I'll make 450, you know, and I think it's still going to pump. When Bitcoin pumps with this, it's going to take these USDT pairs up. I'm going to make 1,500 on this trade, man. I'm telling you. Certic, man, I'm going to ride it up and get on out like a good old schoolboy. You see my take profit set right there at 145? I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. And look, I can shave my stop loss now. If I so may please, I got in at 121, stop loss is 113. This is how you make the move. Right? And the cake trade's doing all right in the V chain. All right, now it's time. Getting the look from my wife. Like, wow. Yeah, I'm trying to stream till 10K. I was going to go till 10 p.m. You know, just run it right into the daily candle close. Just swoop right in. Do you want to come on in? Come on in. No. Come on in. No. You can put the glasses on. You can be a little fun. They really want to see you. Like, come on in. Put the sunglasses on. Come on in. Come on. Guys, do you want to see the wife? Do you want to see Crypto Wifer? Do you guys want to see the Crypto Wifer? Who wants to see the Crypto Wifer? You should do accounts for super chats. We'd love to hear you do my Geordie accent. No one can do it Your Geordie accent? Hold on. Let me find out what a Geordie accent is. I can find it out. Hold on. You should do accents for super chats. Geordie accent. All right, here it is. Look, I'm gonna figure this out.
I was gonna tell you, right?
Learn a Geordie accent. Yeah. You look beautiful. Come on.
It's time to take a closer look at the Geordie accent. Do bear in mind that this accent can vary greatly.
What is she talking about?
Speakers, due to a number of factors. Such
Look, my last name is Price,
the
and I
area
see.
they grew up in, their age.
Look, this says Price.
All right. Price. Neat.
Neat.
Good neat.
Good night.
You were right about that.
You read about that. You read about that. Good night, man. Good night. So you guys say good night? A Georgie accent? Oh, you guys are funny. So there's a different accents in London. They pronounce good night. And they say all right.
We have things to do.
I know, we got stuff to do. I'm out of here for the day. My wife says we have things to do. Oh my gosh, I love it. Crypto Wifer is a babe. You just made her laugh so hard, bro. Do you know about Pancake Honey? No, Pancake Honey has been on my radar. You're too full of yourself, man. Classic Boston ATM smasher. Newcastle, yeah. We love Mrs. Price, Mike Jordan, man. Yo, you're getting on her sweet side, man. She's a teacher, and you're becoming the teacher's pet, Mike. Get everyone to do the same emoji to reveal the wife, LOL. Welsh accent. Dude, you nailed it. Good night. Had a good night day. See how many she gets. That was bad. All right. Anyway, I gave you this trade live last night on the Patreon. I said I'm taking it. It looks like it's pretty healthy. Just want to put it on your radar, guys. I love you. I love you so much. We're going to get out of here for the day. Thank you so much for being here. Actually, wait. I just want to see one last thing.
I think the shirt is getting to you. That's what it must be.
It was the shirt, right?
Buttons and the chain.
Come on in. Come on in. They want to see you. Come on in. Come on. You guys can ask 5 questions that I would never tell you. 5 questions. Come on in. 5 questions about the lifer that I would never, ever say. This is the crazy thing. This is improv. Come on. My wife is on the stream. Amazing.
Wait,
She's a babe. She's such a babe. Look at her. She's such a babe. She's such a babe.
Miss Price bought you an apple.
See, he brought you an apple. Look.
Okay.
How did we meet?
We met at a barbecue. We met at a friend's barbecue, and he swept me off my feet. He whispered poems in my ears. He pursued me all evening, and he got it. What's the next question?
What's your Matic call? No, wait. She's a lush, lucky guy. Oh, what a lucky man he was.
Oh, okay. So, what's my Matic call is that Matic, I've got a lot of money.
Crypto poems?
Crypto poems. He's a man of many talents. Matic is definitely going to go to $10 because that's what the lifer says. The lifer says it's going to go up.
No, what's your call though?
Well, your calls are my calls. Where do I get my information from? What was that?
You guys are the sweetest. Lush means gorgeous in Geordie.
Oh, wow, that's pretty special.
How do you deal with this man on a daily basis? Here, come sit down.
Wait, I can't sit down because you're in the chair.
All right, here. There you
Okay.
go. Wait, no, wait.
Okay, let's see. What does that say? How do you deal with this man? Oh, that's me. You know him.
Yeah, but how do you deal with this man on a daily basis?
It's so hard. I really have to.
Oh, get in here.
I have to.
Come around the
I
back.
have to stop and tell myself that
Come around the back.
this is really who he is, and I just got to make the best of it. She's
1, 2, 3 crypto. Does your husband crunch numbers all day? Is he on the phone all day? I don't use the phone.
He's on the computer all day.
Important people don't use
He looks
phones.
at charts all day long. What is this?
You two are
Oh, thank you.
automatic. Beautiful couple. She's nothing like expected. Are you gonna road trip with Lifer for the Crypto Lifer tour?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I go where he goes.
Must be a strong woman supporting Sam, quitting his job and going all in. What has it been like with me throughout this crypto run?
You know what? He
Don't tell
wasn't
the
gonna
truth.
do.
Don't tell the
No.
truth.
This man was never gonna do something he didn't like. So I either had to believe in him 100% and support him, or he was gonna be devastated for the rest of his life. And I knew how intelligent he was. So I said, you're gonna do it, and if you don't do it, you're gonna be miserable. And so he did it.
NFT fan pick. How do you deal with his bad sense of humor?
Well, you should see his bad temper. You think his bad sense of humor is bad. The truth comes
throw me
out.
under the bus, huh?
Why do bananas
You must
have to
free
wear
the lifer for the
sunscreen?
lifer to be free. Yes, the lifer is a free soul. He never, ever, ever succumbed to anybody. He's like, he needs to be free all the time. I tried to hold him down for a while. It didn't work out, so I let him go too.
Saucy.
All right, okay? Let's go. We have things to do.
Wait. Why does a banana have to wear sunscreen? Why does a banana have to wear sunscreen?
Because they peel.
Because he feels.
Tim knew the answer.
Tenacious Tim with his 2 girls. He's got 2 daughters like your age, and I think you're gonna meet them.
What is sulk?
Saucy, who drives better? Oh, she cannot drive at all. Like she's the worst driver on earth, and she doesn't listen to the freaking. When I'm driving, she tells me to go the wrong way. Even though I got lost yesterday. I got lost 3 times yesterday on the way home.
What is this sulk?
My kid's the
hard does
same
he
joke.
sulk?
Yeah.
What is that?
How hard does he? Oh yeah, when I'm down, like when the market's down, like how hard do I sulk? You know, like.
He's getting better. It used to be scary. I was worried.
It's been great getting to know you, Sam, and now seeing you with your family. You truly make us feel like we're part of your family.
Oh yes,
At one point,
we are.
Wish you guys the best. Thanks for coming on. And why did the cookie go to the doctor?
Why?
Why did the cookie go to the doctor?
Why?
Interesting.
All right. Well, this chair is getting really heavy.
Oh, we're gonna break the chair. Are Sam's blueberry
Crypto
pancakes as good as
barbecue
his
for the
pancake?
Patreons. My pancakes are better. My cooking
No.
is better.
No.
Sam thinks he can cook. He's okay.
Can we all have a crypto barbecue next year, please? Yeah, for sure.
Absolutely. Let's do it. Let's rent the place.
He was feeling crummy. He was feeling crummy. Wait. That's why the cookie went to the doctor.
All right,
He was feeling crummy.
Let's
all right.
go,
On
okay?
that note, we're gonna do all today. All right.
Wait.
Bye, everyone.
Why did what do you call a pig that does karate?
What do you-
Pork chop.
A pig that does karate. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when we post our next video. And remember, 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. Thank you so much for the super chats. Thank you so much for all the love. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you on the next live stream tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. every single day.
When are we gonna end this?
Right now.
Can I do it?
Crypto is life, and we're out of here.
So.
Oh, you want to hit the red button?
Yeah.
No, it's hard. You'll mess. It's like, all right, ready?
No, I know how.
I'll hold it. All right, hit the button. I'll hold the mouse. Crypto is life. And now you have to hit end now again.
Okay.
Done.